Welcome,
Hi,
welcome. Good morning, good
Chad.
morning. Me and Ava are
You
crashing
probably heard
out
some of the crashing out, yeah.
because I showed Ava some horrible stuff that's going.
It's
It's driving me
retarded.
nuts.
You were right. You were right the first time. It's just retarded.
But also,
Also, hi, chat. How's everyone doing? Thank you so much for the 10. King of Daleks. I need a beer and some keys ASAP. I'm going to Alcohola. Wait, what? Wait, what?
alcohol Valhalla.
Yeah, I guess, but that's just Valhalla.
Thank you, Internet
Like,
Zion.
one of the main things about Valhalla. Oh, sorry.
I was just gonna say, oh, Lolly Elf and Puddle Demon, please provide this lowly oil baron with a good laugh on Lawtism today. For the news today has left me black-pilled and in need of some good humor. I actually did choose 2 crazy ones. So I think you guys will
they
enjoy
did
them.
choose 2 crazy ones, and we have a couple preliminary matters here. I'm gonna show on my screen. Where the fuck is it? We got a couple things.
Yeah, I pulled up the first one with the
we have, yeah, there's the first one. Here, I'm just gonna put this on a pop out so they can see it like this. Deck to depth, yeah. Hold on, chat. It's Lawtism, right?
Yep.
Should be. Please let it be. Come on. There we go. Frogan has been retarded.
Yeah, she has
And
announced that she's
continues
retained
to be
Denham's legal
retarded.
defense team and will continue to fight the lawsuit after she already defaulted.
Yeah, so I will say this. Like, there are quote-unquote... Well, it's really hard because in order to appeal... an appeal is really... Like, the judge did something improper. That's what you're going for when you look at an appeal, and it gets you another chance at, the case. Defaulting, meaning, like, there's no grounds for appeal that I could see you making because you never responded, and it ended up being a default judgment.
Yeah, like, I don't know what you're going to claim.
Like, Frogan, there's no way you can continue to, quote, fight this. Like, you've hired your lawyers to sit there and be told how much that you have to pay because that's the only hearing that's going to happen. Frogan, you pulled an Alex Jones.
Exactly.
Which we know now is even more retarded because you actually had standing to win, as we've seen with the Denham's ruling.
Yeah. The only person in this Frogan's was literally the dumbest person in this because they just didn't respond at all. As much as I think the person who settled could have possibly won, I don't think there's anything wrong with settling in a court. There's
nothing wrong with settling.
Like, there's a lot of money that goes into court, so if you come to a settlement agreement that is the least risk for you, I think that's perfectly fine and acceptable. I don't think that's necessarily a loss.
Any lawyer worth their salt is not going to want to have you in front of a judge arguing your case. They want it settled out of court. If they can get a settlement out of court, they have actually done their job and have quote-unquote won. If you are actually in trial and you're in front of a judge, that's honestly the lawyer taking an L of some kind.
Yeah.
We'll clean it up as best as we can, but the ideal situation is a settlement.
Yeah. So Frogan was literally, in my opinion, the dumbest person out of these 3, because you don't let stuff go to a default. You at least file some sort of response.
And where'd the money go, Frogan?
Yeah.
And that $36-something thousand that you fucking raised, where'd that money go? I know DoorDash is expensive, but it ain't that expensive.
Thank you, Baked Buddhist, for the 2. Just a bunch of orange hearts, which I appreciate. Thank you, Alaska the First. They said, went to jury duty today. Guy folded before lunch.
Yeah. Hope you had fun. I know a lot of people don't like jury duty, but honestly, I've been trying to get on... Like, it's so funny.
I kind of want my letter.
Yeah, when you become a lawyer or interested in law, I swear to God, the letter never comes. The letter will never fucking come.
Yeah.
But it's the people who desperately do not want to be called on the jury duty who are always given that letter. It's fucking crazy.
Yeah, like, I know my dad's been called.
It's supposed to be randomized, but I don't believe it.
Yeah, like, I know my dad's been called. And my dad, when he was like, God, I hate it. I'm, like, missing work. Like, this fucking sucks. I'm like, well, give it to me. I want to go. Why do you get it when you just really don't want to go and I'm sitting over here like, I want my letter, I want my letter, I want my letter.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, no, my Papa Elf Pirate get cold on jury. Dude, while I was here, I'm like, are you fucking kidding? Okay, fine, you get to go though, so, you know, and this time he's actually a little more interested because he's retired and stuff. He doesn't have like a job or stuff, so he actually has time to do it. But sadly, he got taken out in Voldir.
Yeah.
So, you know, sometimes they'll just pick you for no reason and like, yeah, you go. You're not a part of this.
Artemis, you'd think with all the Poketards complaining, they'd pull their individual brain cells to make some Pokemon models and mod them into Palworld. But I will say that was what me and Ava were crashing out about.
And that was shut down.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much, Professor Keen, for the 5. Eva, tell chat the difference between jury duty and grand jury duty. Duty. So the difference between a jury and a grand jury. A grand jury is something that you'll see in the news quite a bit more. You won't know who they are, but the term like, oh, you can get a grand jury to indict a sandwich, it's basically a higher jury that looks at evidence that a prosecutor or DA will present, and it'll determine if enough of a standard has been met to actually move forward and bring that case or those charges forth before an actual judge and jury.
Yeah.
You're not randomly selected for grand jury duty. You actually have to seek out and ask to apply, wait for openings and stuff like that.
Yep. I was just going to bring this up because the chat mentioned it. It's not really legal related as much as some Pokemon fans want it to be. But I am genuinely crashing out on Twitter over this because I have multiple people sending both of these to me and saying they clearly look the same. And I'm like, are you fucking nuts? Like, please.
I think some people have just like they've just lost part of their brain. I don't know if it was through a Mandela effect or whatever the fuck, but something happened and just like a big part of their brain got vacuumed out by an alien device through their ear. Because if you look at these two things and think they're the same, you're fucking nuts.
Yeah. It is constant with people trying to say they're the same. And this is just my For You page. I have 2 back to back.
Yeah.
Like, it is constant this morning. It is driving me nuts. No, they don't look anything alike at all. And look, 3 back to back. Palworld's new legendary Pal Penthalysis. People arguing it's a ripoff.
And they look nothing alike. Yeah, you know, that's a funny thing, because I remember that's something that the artists were doing with Palworld first came out. They would actually do the silhouette test. There's a distinct lack of the silhouette test here.
Yeah?
And I think we all know why. Because fucking fail the test because they're nothing alike.
Oh no, I showed this to Ava a minute ago. They're doing the silhouette test, but they're doing the silhouette test wrong and being like, oh, it's like a teardrop shape.
Oh no, are they? Oh yeah, this bullshit. Yeah, this. Oh my god, damn it.
Oh, this one made me laugh because this person was like, look, I did 10 designs that are way better than the Palworld one. Top right, this is from a series. Middle right, this is from a series. Bottom left, this is possibly a mix of
fusion.
It's a fusion of 2 series.
That's Wailord and I think Digimon.
Yeah. And then somebody pointed out that the middle right is basically a 1-to-1 copy of a Genshin boss. And there's several other of these which I don't feel comfortable or saying from a specific series, but I recognize the design.
I'd say it looks more like Rayquaza than Kyogre. You know what? I would almost agree with you there. But again, here's the issue, right? And here's why Nintendo has not filed any copyright infringement lawsuits in regards to these Palworld designs. Palworld and Pokemon are both based on animals, and you can't copyright the design in basic shape of a fucking animal.
Actually, that's what I just posted to Twitter before we started. So I don't think a lot of people know this, or maybe they don't realize this. Pokemon are intentionally designed to be generic. Not fully generic, but just generic enough that you kind of just recognize them as a creature rather than as a unique Pokemon. That's the reason, like, in the Pokedex, every Pokemon is like, this is the mouse Pokemon, this is the bird Pokemon. They're specifically meant to
Remember,
resemble an
everybody,
animal.
the original Pokédex entry for Pikachu is the electric mouse Pokemon.
Yeah. So they're intentionally made to be just generic enough that you recognize them as an animal more than you recognize them as a Pokemon. And that's why whenever people see a Pokemon, 9 times out of 10, they can immediately determine what animal it is without having to really think about it all that hard. And because of that, any creature is going to be compared to a Pokemon.
Like from the demo from it's the demo of Subnautica 1, you're right. One of the designs.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, Subnautica 1 demo. Fucking Jesus Christ. So uncreative.
Me and Ava also...
Here's the thing, it's hard to be creative when you're using a whale body as a base, okay?
Yeah.
It just is. It's fine. It's okay.
All you can really do is add stuff to it.
Copy of things. Yeah, which is you added hair to these motherfuckers in some cases.
I also have to point out, because me and Ava were talking about this before stream as well, some of these only look more dynamic because you're giving them, like, unique poses, which only works in 2D. As soon as it's translated to 3D, they can't just hold their unique dynamic pose at all times. They have to be stretched out and swimming. That's how 3D design works. Also, somebody in chat mentioned orca. Apparently, a lot of people do not realize that Kyogre is not a whale. Kyogre's an orca.
Be a fucking killer whale. Yeah, an orca. A fucking dog. They're more closely related to dolphins than they are whales.
Yeah. It's wild.
Jesus Christ.
And then this one's actually more on topic with legal for us. So this is something I saw last night. New thing artists are trying to do. Reminder to all artists that sell adopts. Please remember to mention in your Adopt TOS that using your designs for AI-generated content will lead to revoked ownership. Make sure to clearly state if this revoked owner...
I will sue you into oblivion.
The second part's even better. Also, make sure to clearly state if this revoked ownership includes a refund or not. Let me stop you right there.
You're on crack.
If you're going to try this, it 100% includes a refund.
It 100% would have to include a refund, and even then, you probably can't claw back the rights that you've already given. You can't... There's so many fucking times. Yeah, you can include it in terms of service. Kid, good luck getting it enforced by a judge. I'm actually crashing out so hard I'm having a stroke.
I've had to explain this to people before.
Hazardous demon art.
Because I've seen a lot...
I'm literally bringing up, I am fucking quoting this, and I am fucking going off on them.
I have seen a lot of artists say this, and I don't think artists understand how this works, where they say, you don't understand, I didn't sell you the image, I sold you the rights. It's like, yes, you sold me the rights. You need to understand that. I have the rights. I don't have the image, quote-unquote image, I have the rights, which actually means I have more power over it, not less. And then a lot of artists will try and treat rights like they're a service. You know, like how games are a quote-unquote service. Like, rights are not a service. You are not giving me, like, a perpetual rights license. I own the rights. Which is also something else I've seen artists struggle with, where they're like, well, you can't resell my work. I can't make copies of it and resell it, depending on the TOS, even though I probably should be able to. However, I can resell the rights, because I do own the rights.
Here's a big thing, too, that people don't seem to understand. For instance, if I go to an artist and I give them my references and stuff like that, I am technically giving them a license to my IP and my copyright design, which, by the way, for those who don't know, you know, someone might be registered with the Library of Congress. But, regardless, you can't, like, the artist can't return, you can't do certain things with your art used my fucking IP. That's mine. You don't get to fucking revoke anything because it uses intellectual property that I own, that I let you use to design this commission, that I then paid for the rights. That's where our relationship ends. It's different if you're doing pre-built VTubers and stuff like that. Then they obviously have a little bit more rights because they can use your IP to design the fucking thing. But it's still very legally dubious.
Yeah. It's and it's just the only thing I really said when I quoted it was, first off, this is probably illegal most places, so don't do this. Second off, if you do this, you're gonna have clients that are doing chargebacks, and if that goes through, your entire business could be fucked. Especially if it's through PayPal. Because once you start getting chargebacks on your business, they start wanting to not do business with you. And I was gonna say the third thing is you should really stop giving a shit what people do with the art after you sell it to them. Stop caring so much. You got paid, you got money.
I get
walk
artists
away.
have this weird, like they have this weird freaking like mother-child relationship with their artist creations and stuff, but it's not that serious. Stop it.
Thank you, Internet Zen. Wait, neither of you have gotten jury duty yet. I've gotten it 2 to 3 times in 5 years. Never actually made it to trial, but still.
Yeah, that's what the people who want jury duty will never get the letter. It's some kind of weird fucking curse, I swear.
It's a desire sensor.
Yeah, straight up. I have to tell the universe I don't even want it. You freaking try to reverse psychology of the universe.
Thank you, Baked Buddhist. I spell ferret as ferret on accident all the time. The thing is a fucking ferret. Exactly.
Yeah.
Baracho, wrong. Kyogre is clearly my mom. I'm suing Nintendo. And then thank you,
Internet. I do have one other thing, but it's really just a passerby. It looks like a district judge has adopted a magistrate judge's recommendation in regards to Mizkif versus Asmongold's defamation lawsuit. It looks like it has been dismissed without prejudice, which means that Mizkif could actually refile if he has a better case and can argue it better. But as it stands right now, the judge has basically wiped his ass with Mizkif's defamation suit against Asmon and ordered it be dismissed.
Yeah. I will say this, it is quite difficult to push for a defamation suit on somebody that is quote-unquote reporting what someone else said.
I mean, I read through... It's funny because Asmon's first response to complaint in his motion to dismiss was, god damn, it was a formatting nightmare to read through. It's part of why it's not a video, because their citations and everything are so fucked up, and even the court itself said, hey, you guys are submitting links and stuff in this filing, that's not how you do this. You have to submit this via USB drive or whatever, and there's a whole bunch of issues. But luckily, he did a refile for his second motion to dismiss. It was only 7 pages long. It was just on the merits. It's like, look, Mizkif cannot even actually describe what the defamatory statements are, and most of these things are Asmon reacting to Mizkif's own words in his own video, which remains up to this day.
Yeah. I will say you have a little bit more right in the US to sue somebody for defamation if they're reporting what someone said, depending on how bad it is and how, like, typically you do have to show negligence.
Then you got something good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing. They're both public figures, too. They would absolutely be recognized as public figures, and for that you have to prove true malice, which is... it's very difficult.
Yeah.
Now, what Mizkif has done is actually done something in the way of that Asmon may or may not have a case in which Mizkif released screenshots between what looked like Emru and Asmon and tried to claim that
like a collusion.
Asmon made a pass. He tried to claim something that just absolutely was not true, and while not straight up defamation, it could be considered false light. Guy literally tried, oh, this dude is making variations of the N-word as his password. And so Asmund had to come out after this was dismissed and says, hey, I was waiting for this to be dismissed. Now that I'm not in a case with him, I can talk about it. This was not the truth at all. This was actually some guy who was harassing Emiru and other people who kept making variations of the N-word as his username. And he was making hundreds of these accounts. So, Mizkif, in trying to fucking take shots at Asmund, you may have very well defamed him, and I would be very careful moving forward.
I guess it depends how much,
It's time to go demon time.
I guess it depends how much she actually shared with him.
I mean, what was shared, it doesn't matter what was shared, it was the fact that what he shared, he only shared some of it. He shared it knowing that what he was spreading was not the truth, decided to spread it anyway with intent to cause harm to Asmund's reputation. That quite literally meets the definition of true malice when it comes to
because she shows the full context of Asmongold's messages. She doesn't show the full context of her message with Mizkif. And that's the problem.
No, but Asmund explains that at this time they were all friends with each other, and they were just sharing screenshots because it was something that I think Mizkif's audience, Mizkif's was dealing with as well. Was this guy fucking making this goddamn like hundreds and hundreds of sock puppet accounts that were all the variation of the N-word.
Yeah, but that's the thing, is you'd have to prove that Mizkif remembered that was the situation and didn't think that this was just Emiru telling him that Asmund was doing this.
Well,
because that's the problem. She doesn't show.
Mizkif has the full screenshots.
Huh?
I guarantee you, Mizkif has the full screenshots. If this were to go to trial and
but they'd have to
discovery,
prove
I guarantee you it'd be shown that. Yeah, and they would through discovery. Is all I'm saying.
I just don't think they would.
There's enough here to create a judge would move forward with this. I think.
I don't think they would, particularly because of the nature of the accusation. While yes, it is intended to hurt his reputation,
it wouldn't be defamation. It'd be something like false light.
You would have to also kind of say that what he said specifically is that damaging to a reasonable person.
That's true, which it's not.
That's the thing, is there's so many layers to this kind of stuff.
Mizkif is so fucking unreliable.
Yeah.
As an online personality, like quite literally, he might not be able to defame people in the typical way because no one takes what he says seriously. No reasonable person would look at Mizkif's statements and go, oh yeah, that must be the truth.
And that's what me and Ava try and tell people a lot when we talk about these, and a bunch of like stupid YouTubers and Twitter people trying to say we're wrong. This stuff is complicated, and you can't just be like, oh, he said something false, that's defamation. Well,
plus defamation protections are extremely strong in Texas. Texas very much values the First Amendment, and defamation kind of can end up butting heads with the First Amendment. It's why we have things like defamation per se and stuff, and you can't straight up accuse someone of being a convicted criminal when they're not, but a lot of the other defamations, they're very hard to get to and meet the standard of just because of how much we should be valuing the First Amendment.
Yeah. Didn't Hassan believe him? Yeah, but then you have to say that Hassan...
Yeah, but he's Hassan. Hassan is unreasonable as well.
Dog electrocutor Hassan is a reasonable person.
Dude, Hassan's in the middle of a legendary crash out because he had a hit piece done by a media company about Collargate, and frankly, I'm fucking laughing my goddamn ass off about it.
Because he keeps saying, like, it didn't happen, but if it did happen, why is it a big deal?
The more you try to deny it, the more we think it happened, because you have double and triple down this in a way I've never seen. I mean, Collargate was months ago, guys.
Yeah.
It was fucking months ago, and people are still harping. The only thing I've seen be fucking held on to this long is the Epstein didn't kill himself meme. So, like, quite literally, like, yeah, Hassan is in some trouble here.
My favorite part of that
he's fucking freaking out about it.
Is even a lot of Hassan orbiters have given up the fact that he did in fact electrocute his dog, but they've decided
because he's on camera fucking abusing other dogs as well. He has a history of it.
Well, their new angle they're going for is, I don't understand why these right-wingers only suddenly care about people when it's a dog, and it's like, you fucking hear yourself. Most people are gonna care when they see a dog getting abused. It's an innocent animal. It can't defend itself.
Who the bitch was. I think she's not even in politics, or she might be, but there's that one, a loomer, I think, or there's a conservative who wrote a book about shooting her dog for misbehaving, and everyone fucking jumped down her throat about it. Doesn't matter if you're left, doesn't matter if you're right. Why? Because if you mistreat animals, you're the biggest piece of shit that walks the earth. That's just the truth. It doesn't matter the political leaning of the person who's abusing the animal.
And nobody
Don't
likes
abuse
somebody
animals.
that hurts dogs and cats and shit.
Yeah, no, fuck yeah, no, like, God, disgusting, get out of here.
It's like the universal uniter.
One-sided is even more disgusting.
But to put it in perspective, by the way, chat, because I guess some people don't understand how universal it is to hate people that hurt animals. Fucking Hitler was on the forefront of animal rights advocacy in his time.
Yes, he was.
Like,
yes, he was, because he had a lovely German Shepherd. He loved Diane too. Man was obsessed with German Shepherds and like animal rights. For all the horrible things he did to humanity, this motherfucker was a friend to animals, I'll tell you that.
And it's just so funny when somebody's like, well, who cares about a dog? Even Hitler cared about dogs. What do you mean?
Even Hitler cared about dogs, Jesus.
And he was like the worst of the worst, and even he was like, don't hurt the dogs.
Yeah, caring about dogs is nonpartisan, exactly. And anyone, left or right, trying to like, these fucking Hassan orbiters trying to say, oh, well, these right-wingers, shut the fuck up. Someone hurt a dog. We don't care about your fucking party politics. Oh, this is a really nice background music.
Oh yeah, it's
Sorry, I know that was random, but I'm like, ooh, reminds me of like Freewind or something.
Oh, it's my I always use the Mabinogi soundtrack.
It's so good. That's why. Okay, so you just like activated core memories in me. That's what's happening.
But yeah, I always use the Mabinogi
I'm like,
soundtrack.
oh my god, this music! It's oh, I recognize it. Gosh, I gotta play Mabinogi again.
It is good. But chat, I do have videos for us today.
We do.
I wish we got to start this one a little earlier in the interaction, but this is where the interaction starts.
When a cop's wife thinks she's untouchable. Well, that's a cool. I love Midwest Safety so much. Everybody, take a second. Go to Midwest Safety. Make sure that you're subscribed to their channel. They're fucking awesome. King of Dalek, thank you for the 10. Guards, seize the Son Piker and hold him to the sky during a lightning storm. Okay, we're not fucking... Jesus Christ, that sounds like something a Viking would do.
True. But chat, like I said, I have 2 crazy ones for you, so I hope you both enjoy them. Thank you, Internet Zen. As an aside, you saw that Gideon charges got dropped, and Ava, you're thinking Christy Gnome. There's more lore to it, but still messed up.
Gideon charges drop. Mother sucker.
Couple others I had missed.
All criminal charges stemming from YouTube Gideon's viral June 2026 arrest in Woodhaven, Michigan were officially dismissed. Following a July 13th court appearance, the streamer announced on Instagram that his case was dismissed with prejudice, and the charges against him and his fans were also expunged.
I would not have dropped that.
No, neither would I have, and it almost seems like it seems like he actually, his term, I'm a multimillionaire, he actually did fucking use his influence and his wealth to actually get these charges dropped.
Yeah.
We all saw the body cam footage here. It was blatant fucking violations of the law on multiple fronts.
And then he was actively told, you will be arrested, and he started looking for ways to get around it.
This is a miscarriage of justice, in my opinion.
Yeah. It's somebody that was very blatantly in front of police saying, I don't care about law. I'm not going to follow the law. You can't do anything to me. I'm untouchable.
Yeah, you think these charges are going to skip? I'm a multimillionaire. Like, fucking damn it.
If I'm a prosecutor and I see a body cam where somebody says, you think these charges are going to stick? I'm a millionaire. I'm making sure the charges stick either way.
Yeah, I know. Like, look, if I see that on the body cam footage as a prosecutor, I am throwing the book at him on fucking principle alone, because he clearly doesn't respect the jurisdiction that he resides in, that he is subject to. And you know what? We're going to show him that, yes, you are held accountable to the law when you frequently ignore it and try to circumvent it.
That reminds me, I heard a
Man, that
phrase
pisses
the
me
other
off.
day watching some of these videos. You should throw the book at him and the tree it was made from.
Absolutely. What is happening? Hold on.
Thank you, Internet Zen. These artists are doing this while people are still angry at Sony for license rights to play a game. I know artists tend to be brain dead legally, but they're usually better at reading the room.
Artists have never been good at reading the room.
Oh, yeah. And then thank you, Sart now.
Yeah,
I'm not a necromancer, I swear, but watching your video about the Cinder drama was pretty enlightening. There's always two sides to a medal. Thank you. I hope people do enjoy my older videos, even if they're a bit outdated.
Yeah, those older videos are pretty good. They are, yeah, they're a little, well, I mean, what's amazing is you're right so consistently that even when, you make your analysis of the Cinder drama, and then several months later, Cinder drops her doc, it's just quite literally 1,000 pages of Mizu was right.
Yeah.
That's quite literally what it was. So, the video can stay up.
I don't like to brag like too terribly much, but I do enjoy the being right thing. But I've maintained from the start that a lot of these situations are not hard to be right about. You just have to actually sit down and actually read the document start to finish and think about what they're saying. Because you can, even like from a document that's completely one-sided, you can get a lot of information by how much are we actually being given? How quickly are they cutting off Discord messages?
I broke down 3 documents on one person from 2 years ago. Quite literally doing the same thing off of ET, and you just read it as like Cat Liente fucking decided to try and read it.
Yeah.
And she read it as though like, oh yes, queen, go off, fucking just like a hype man. We read it, and everyone in my chat, I was reading it as the video came out. I was like, yeah, this is, one, it's fucking retarded, and 2, there's a clear goal here, and it's reputation ruination. It's not actually trying to expose any kind of abuser.
You can also pick up a lot from what information they should have, but apparently don't.
But don't seem to, yeah.
Like
there was a lot of that. All these things were like, oh, this man, he let 3 minors in his server to a Perfect Blue watch along, and I fucking found out about it, and I stopped the movie, and I scolded him about it, and then the screenshots that they provide have none of that context. And then they say, oh, the reason why they don't have that is because it wasn't a VC. Sorry. Yeah, fuck you. Get out of here.
Also, I've kind of said this before. My personal belief is at the end of the day, my responsibility on Discord is to mark channels where not safe for work stuff is happening as not safe for work. Discord is supposed to be managing whether or not a child can get into that space, not me.
Yeah.
And I'm not saying if I find a child in there, I'm not.
We found out a couple minor. Yeah, we've instant ban. At least I do.
I'm not saying I'm not going to ban them if I catch kids in there. I'm definitely going to ban them.
Yeah, it's happened twice, I think, in my server.
But people that are like, you need to start asking for IDs and all this other stuff. No, I don't.
No, absolutely no. One, it's illegal for me to do that. You can't collect data and personally identify any information on somebody when you're not a licensed agent to do so.
And 2,
because there are some people who are licensed and allowed to collect data, and there's a lot of us, most of us, who are not.
And 2, which I think more people don't realize, if I have a not safe for work section and I mark it correctly and a child gets in there under my nose, that is Discord's fault, and Discord has to take the blame for it. If I start requesting people give me IDs or some other proof, I am taking responsibility for that.
Yeah, that's true.
And if something goes wrong, I am legally in trouble for that. I'm not taking on that legal responsibility. I don't give a shit. I'm not going to jail because Discord didn't do their job right and somebody gave me a fake ID when there's physically no way for me to know the difference. Like in real life, you can typically tell the difference between a fake and a real ID because they have scanners. I don't have a scanner. To do that, to check it to a database. I can't do that. And I'm not going to take legal responsibility when I know for a fact there's no way for me to be 100% accurate. I'll let Discord maintain that.
It's an absolutely insane way of trying to put responsibility on anyone except for the fucking parents.
Yeah. I'm not taking that legal responsibility. Discord can keep it. But sorry, chat. We'll go ahead and get started on this. I know we keep going on little tangents. I think you guys will enjoy this one. And I'm kind of glad we took a little bit because I do have a second one after this. But she curses so much that I was afraid it would get dinged by YouTube's don't say a curse word in the first 5 minutes. Yeah, no,
it's a good thing that we went on for like, 30 or 40 minutes?
Yeah.
You know, because now we're enough in the time where, like, for some reason, it's like the first 10 or 20 minutes that, like, the AI or whatever is very fucking on top of you and will live demonetize your video if you cuss too much and stuff like that. But after you get past that threshold, usually the AI is not paying as close attention and we can get away with it. But yeah.
Stay in the car! Hands out the door!
I'm sorry?
Hands out the door!
I'm sorry?
Hands out!
Oh.
Come on out for me.
Are you having an issue?
Yes, I'm having an issue.
Okay, what is it?
Come on back for me. Anybody else in the car?
No, just me. Are you okay?
I'm perfectly fine. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just asking about you. I mean,
okay, don't be worried about me. I'm worried about you. Why are you all over the road?
I had no idea I was all over the road.
Girl. You are more lit than a fucking Christmas tree. Look at this fucking the surface of the reddening of her skin right here, as opposed to where the light is on. Like that's how she is. I'm going to give a rough guess. If we actually get a breathalyzer test, I'm saying she's at least twice over the legal limit. At least.
Didn't?
No.
Have we had anything to drink today?
I had a drink before I left the bar before tonight, but
I fixed the echo. Sorry about that.
Just one?
I want you to point out.
Just one?
She actually does close her hand over here, so when she says just one, she's holding up 2 fingers.
Oh no.
Yes?
Did he add 1 and 2? That makes 12.
You put your hands down now.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Here.
You have your ID on you?
It's in the car.
All right.
Would you like me to go get it?
No, just give me a second. I'm waiting till my partner gets here.
Your name is?
Deputy Daniels.
Daniels. Okay.
All right. So how much have we had to drink today?
One drink before I let a Bloody Mary before I left there at the bar tonight.
All right. So why are we all over the road?
I had no idea. I mean, I have new tires, but I don't know if anything other than
that.
It's definitely the tires. It was 100% the tires.
I've got new tires.
When I get new tires, I have to watch out. Otherwise, I'm all over the road.
She's so out of it. Oh yeah, no, she's. I think the saying around here is 3 sheets to the wind. She is every sheets to the wind. They're all gone. They're in a tornado.
Yeah, no, every sheet has been ripped from the clothesline and is just flying into the sunset.
Yeah, they're gone.
There are no sheets.
Called in by several people. Several. I've got called in by several people, and while I was behind you, you're going over the right side, you're going over the left side.
I mean, you can if you want to drive my truck with my tires, my new tires. They're kind of a little funky, but
come on, walk back.
She's gonna really stick to this tire story.
She's really doubling down on the tire story. That's amazing.
Well, if you want to check my truck, you'll see that, it pulls to the right.
He actually does look at the tires. One side is size like 19, the other size like 22 or something. And he actually gets, this is actually true. No, oh my God, it was her tires this whole time.
What was the alcohol content of that Bloody Mary? It was a big chug and it was 90 proof.
It was a fucking vodka with like red food dye coloring. It wasn't actually even, there was no other ingredients to a Bloody Mary. It was just the vodka.
It wasn't even vodka. It was just Everclear.
It was oh Jesus Christ.
Back out this way for me.
Oh man. Yeah, this is why you'll never see me drink.
Also, I don't know anything about drinking, but I do know what proofs are, and I do know what Everclear is. because there was a driver in one of these videos that got caught with a bottle of Everclear in their center console, which led to me getting
Yeah.
a crash course in what Everclear was by the officer explaining it for some reason.
Yep. Yeah, no, it's good that he did describe that. I will say the fun thing about proof. Proofs is actually a measurement that was done by old pirates and brewers and stuff like that, because if the proof was high enough, they would be able to light a match and actually light the alcohol on fire, and that was quote unquote proof that your alcohol had the muscle to go all the way and getting you fucked up, which is clearly what happened to this lady.
So looking it up, just to double check. So Everclear specifically is very commonly found at 151 proof.
That's crazy.
However,
So that's
in
Bacardi
certain markets, it's
151.
120 proof.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, no, I've tried Bacardi 151 before, which is 151 proof. We're bad, just bad.
I've heard from
It's
people
just
that have drunk
horrible.
that kind of stuff that it just like burns.
It does. It literally just burns. There's no joy to be had when you're drinking on that level.
Yeah. I found this out one day reading, I forget where we were. We were in some kind of bar and I just got like a burger and all my family got like regular beers. But they had like listings of the specific alcohol content of the different beers at the bar on the menu. So I started Googling like how high those go. And apparently there's like some French company that through the use of, like molecular splicing and shit, have managed to make an alcohol that is like 99.99% alcohol. Like just...
Oh, so that's like 100. So I might be wrong on this, but the rule I believe is proof is double the actual alcohol percentage. So 75 is 150 proof. And so if you're at 99%, that's like 100, that's 200 proof. That's crazy.
Yeah. They had they've managed to splice molecules in such a way that it's almost 0% like water in the alcohol. It's
That's
just
terrifying. Like when you're getting into molecular science to get drunk, you've gone too far.
They were just trying to see how high they could get the number up.
That's so cool. Fucking alchemists, man.
Apparently they weren't going for like
planet with their fucking experiments.
Apparently people that do this aren't going for like proof or anything like that. They're going for they're actually like doing it scientifically. They're going for parts per million. They're actually going for proper ppm measurements of alcohol. And of course, this particular brand was made by a couple of French people, and apparently they are the closest anyone has gotten to like perfect 100%. Thank you, Internet Zen. I checked my phone to see the video. Lady sounds like she's Mango at Ludwig's Mario Kart party level drunk. On a positive note, Mango announced he's almost a full year sober. Oh, congratulations.
That's good to hear. Very much congratulations, bro. You were on a level before, and I'm glad you got down before you fell off the cliff. That's all I'm gonna say.
And then thank you, Baked Buddhist. Google 99 brand. It's really strong and really good. I will never drink because I am a good Christian boy.
Do you know who lives here?
My friends.
You live here?
Yes.
My
I live
friends,
here.
gee.
What's the address here? 4113 reference the vehicle that somebody hit. Do we have RP on that?
Hit?
Yeah, wait a minute. You didn't say that at all. I didn't hear you say that. You said she was all over the road. Now she has hit somebody. Why did you not tell her that?
She was all the sheets to the wind, Ava.
I guess, but I still would have looked. You pulled over, and we're assuming you're drunk because you hit someone back there. I'm getting you for a hit and run. I'm getting you for... This is more than just drunk driving now. Because you've actually hit another person.
Oh, there's the other officer.
Thank God.
It's really funny on my screen. Actually, you know what? I'll just take a picture and send it to you.
Okay.
Because this
I
is
remember there being a dog mentioned in this video.
this is how mine is set up.
Let's see here. Okay, that's pretty good.
Would you mind letting me know what's going on here?
I already did.
I love when people try this. Like, this is definitely one of the body cam bingo things is what's happening here after you've already been told, like, directly.
Yeah.
You tell me what's going on here? You were drunk, driving all over the road, and I suspected you may have hit a car. You already heard all of that.
The response is, she just stares at you and goes, all right, fine. Keep your secrets.
You're called in as all over the road, and that you hit something.
What did I hit?
That's what I'm trying to find out.
I didn't hit anything. So can you please let me know what I hit? Because I didn't
Good,
hit
you can
anything.
talk to him.
What did I hit? I hit nothing.
Where were you headed to?
Right here. That's where my park is trucked.
That's why
No
I picked this
fucking way.
one. That's
No
why.
actual fucking way.
That's
Did
why
we
I
just
picked
get
this one.
illegitimate?
Yeah.
I swear to drunk, I'm not God.
Yes,
Like,
she's gonna
that's
do
a
this
joke.
multiple
That's
times.
crazy. I see. There's a slurred speech counter.
That's why I
she
picked
actually
this
did
one.
that. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm in. I'm ready for this. This is amazing. The
That-
park is trucked. God damn it.
That's where my park is trucked. I think the
That
best
is
part.
Crazy.
I think the best part is that she actually added the ED to the truck. Like, it's not. That's where my parked is truck. That's where my park is trucked. You still got it technically
That's so
halfway
good.
correct.
Yeah, I know. The brain really worked hard on that one. And what's best is they think they've locked in and they've got it.
Yeah, I've nailed this.
No. Yeah, they screwed up. Yeah, that's right. They don't know. We know. I'm sorry to say we know.
Thank you. Thank you, Internet Zen says, good Christian boy. Let's ignore the old Catholic Christian monks who were master beer brewers back in the day in ye old Europe. But yes, Mizu, good Christian boy. I'm a good Christian
You know what's
boy.
funny? My chat said the same fucking thing.
That-
Saying monks are great at making fucking booze, and also Jesus' blood is wine, so alcohol is good. The Bible says so.
I'm not decrying you for drinking. I'm just saying I'm not going to drink.
Oh yeah, I will decry you for drinking. No kidding.
The best place to be at the bar is to be the only sober one because I get to watch all of you make asses of yourself.
Oh my god, I have done that many times, and it is amazing.
Can you stay upstairs?
Can you please tell me what you need? Otherwise,
Okay.
you have to let me go.
Right.
No, I ain't got to do nothing.
Excuse
Okay,
me?
I ain't got to do nothing. You're gonna stay here until we're done with you. That's no more. You keep talking. That's it. We're done. You can give me a little patty face all you want.
Are you
Where's your
sure?
driver's license? Where's your ID?
You
Ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am.
You tell me, mother.
So, I mean,
First officer's coming in way too hot. But I don't know the full context.
That's what I'm saying. I don't have full context. It's fair, but like this seems like a lot.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This seems like a lot to
I also want to
go
point
at
out
this
this
person over because
this whole thing comes off like
mean,
a sketch to me
go,
almost.
Like she's not even yelling. And you came in just started screaming, I do what I want, we're done with you, motherfucker. Is that going to help? Do you need to go back to de-escalation training?
So you're going to see it over time, but
Yeah,
this is
the cop
almost like a
was escalating.
sketch. We have first cop who's way too aggressive. We have lady who's so drunk, she's literally doing, I'm swear to drunk, I'm not God. And then we have the officer who showed up to help, who is, I'm assuming, Hispanic and he speaks English.
No clue what's happening.
He speaks English, but he's a little rough on it. So we
No,
have
I got you.
we have somebody who sort of speaks
things are
English.
happening far too quickly for he's arrived. He wants to help, but he doesn't know how.
Yeah, we have somebody who sort of speaks English, somebody who isn't using proper English because they're 3 sheets to the wind, and then we have officer that's just way too angry.
Yeah, he just got, I mean, maybe she hurt someone or something. Like, I'm sure there's some additional context that explains the officer's anger. But as an officer of the law, you should be focused on de-escalation to prevent further harm from occurring. And coming at a drunk person like this is not a way to de-escalate the situation.
Yeah.
I'll go find it. Don't worry about it.
Ma'am,
I was married
I'm gonna
to a
explain.
motor cop
I
of
want-
15 years.
Okay,
I don't have to deal with this.
15.
No.
I wanna. You ask. I wanna explain you what's going on. Okay.
Please tell
Do
me.
you wanna know what's going
Please
on?
tell me. Please tell, because he is being an asshole.
Okay.
So please tell
alright.
me.
So then talk to me, okay?
Thank you.
You have been called as a reckless.
This is kind of what I mean. This Hispanic officer has to bring her down because that other officer fucking got her all fucking, ready to fucking foul. He's an asshole. Did that help? No, you actually hurt this. You hurt the investigation. You're making everything take longer. Fucking button it down. Lock in, officer.
Also, yes,
anger,
fail. I may have been
because
incorrect.
It's not helping.
Hearing it a second time, I think he might actually be Indian.
Yeah, I think it's Indian.
Driver that we are not unable to maintain lane.
So can you please tell me what I have done?
If you're gonna be interrupting me, okay, you're not gonna know why you're being pulled over, okay?
Also, this is why when he pulled up,
Nah.
she could not hear him. She is getting pulled over by an
she's
officer and
just
still has the
fucking
music blaring.
blasting that music. It sounds like fucking 50s swing music too. You know, down. Hey, what is happening?
You've been called as a
I was married. I was married
You don't want to know,
to
right?
a motor cop for 15 years.
All you care is just argue
So
with
please
me, right?
tell me what you need from me so I can go.
Okay.
What do you
Okay,
need?
whoa.
I gotta go.
Right now, you are a suspect in a hit and run case. Okay, we investigating. You are
Hit
detained.
and run?
You are detained. You're not free to go.
Hit and run?
Yes, that's what we're trying to find out.
What's your name?
I'm sorry. I had no idea.
What's your name?
Okay.
Please tell me what you're trying to do.
If it's a misunderstanding,
Yes.
you're gonna be free to go. But
Yes.
we need to find out. So you
Yes.
need to relax. We just investigating. Okay.
Okay.
Nobody.
To be fair, even if she didn't hit and run somebody, you're probably not free to go at this point. Like, either way. Like, because you are mega drunk, and he was following you down the road while you were driving while mega drunk. Is Ava good? Is Ava dead? We shall wait a moment, chat, for the elf. So chat, how are you guys doing? You having a good day, good night, good evening, whatever time it is for you guys. Sir, I need you to show me ID and redeem number. I mean insurance. I'm gonna get in trouble for that one day. Somebody's Okay, it's hot as hell though. It actually is hot lately, like really hot. But it's fine. How's the addiction? Oh, the addiction's
How's
great.
that?
Oh, welcome back.
Yep. How about Fire just came back from shopping? Sorry about that.
Oh, you're good. I paused it. She's just doing the usual, I don't know what you're investigating. What are you talking about? Why am I being stopped? I don't get it.
Yeah.
But the officer did say, we're investigating a hit and run. As soon as we're done, you might be free to go. I'm like, trust me, I know she's not free to go. She is 5 sheets to the wind.
There's no way.
Driving all over the
there's no way
road.
she's free to go.
It doesn't matter if she didn't hit and run somebody. She's driving mega drunk.
So he had one of those mega pints of wine.
Yeah.
Nobody yet said that
Your
you
name is
It's right here.
Your namer.
Jesus Christ.
Your
It's not
namer.
Jesus Christ.
I love that. I'm telling you, it comes off as a skit. Like, your name is Jesus Christ. Oh, I'm not Jesus Christ.
Jesus Christ. I am not Jesus Christ. What is happening right now?
Your name.
No, it's 2/3.
I want to know how high. Yeah, I do too.
Do not touch me.
Can you tell me what that says?
What's your name?
It's the beauty Hlebanovsky.
She's got 2 different
What?
IDs.
What a what? It's a what to Dineski?
That's interesting when the officer comes back and says she has 2 IDs.
Why does she have 2 IDs?
Internet Zen can confirm he's Indian. Sounds like every thick accent I hear in the Seattle area. Also, I think that's Elvis she's blasting in the car. How is this not an SNL skit?
Abe really does feel like an SNL skit.
Was what? I'm Heather Sunderman. Heather Sunder. I'm Heather
Okay.
Heather.
She's done.
Formerly Heather said Sunderman.
Wow. This is perhaps one of the most like here's the thing, right? Usually someone who's this drunk is like stumbling, can't stand straight. Like there's a lot of other things. I'm frankly very impressed that she's clearly so drunk, the lights are on, nobody's home, and she's somehow not in a bush.
Yeah. This is like the level of drunk that you expect somebody bent over hurling into a toilet to be. You know?
Yeah, exactly. Which I imagine she probably will be later, but at least for right now, she's performing quite well. Excuse me. Now I'm drunk apparently.
Heather Sunderland, Heather
Sunder said that to
Sunderman,
the Sunder.
Heather formerly
I'm sorry,
Sunderman.
Oh no, it's the Sunderman. It's the cousin of the Slenderman.
I'm divorced. I
Okay.
was Sunderman. Now I am.
And what is the reason for you to have 2 different...
Because I have children with the same last name as Sunderman.
How much you had to drink? I can smell it on your breath.
One brink. What's one? It's Bloody Mary. It's just one.
Bloody man! Oh my god!
One brink.
I mean, she's everywhere. She cannot talk, and this is crazy. I mean, I know I suffer from mush mouth pretty good, but this is on a level.
And she, in her head, she's like, I'm locked in.
I'm trying, but you're interrupting me, and you only care to argue with
I have
me.
been very I've been very quiet.
No,
What is
where
going
are you?
Quiet.
Can you tell me what's going on
So
tonight?
you're gonna listen to me this time without interrupting me what I have to
Sir,
say?
Please tell me
Okay,
what's going on
I'm
tonight.
gonna repeat myself then. You were caught as a reckless driver, unable to maintain lane. You
That
wanna...
is very surprising to
Okay,
me.
all right. You carry on to argue
Can you
with me.
tell me what's going on tonight, please?
All right, guys.
I'm the former wife.
I need somebody to stay with her so I can find out what the heck is going on, okay?
I love
Okay,
that she's
he's
trying to
finally
use that
starting to
her
lose it.
husband is a cop, but then she's also like, oh yeah, also I'm divorced.
I'm the former wife. I'm the former wife of a motor cop. So, what is that? Makes you nobody in my book. Like, what
You were already
why do I have to
nobody, but
care?
you're just like more of a nobody than you thought you were.
Yeah, I'm a former nobody who's also a nobody currently.
Thank you, Internet Zen. Also, I'm betting the Indian cop has watched Short Circuit with how fast he responded with "I'm not Jesus Christ" when she tried to read his name. You know, he hit that
Well,
like right on the head immediately.
So clearly, what happened? She leaned in to read his name and went, Jesus Christ, what the fuck am I reading? Because it sounds like a crazy last name I would struggle with.
Yeah.
Like he said it once, I could not repeat it to you.
By the way, we're only 5
Like,
minutes into this
you
20-minute
gun to my
video.
head, I'm not good.
We are 5
Wow.
minutes into this 20-minute
5
stop.
minutes into this. Wow. Okay.
I would also like to know what the heck is going on tonight. Please, is someone hurting that? Is there someone gone?
We're trying to figure it out, okay? What's your name?
Heather,
Heather. We're trying to figure out.
one moment. I'm going to grab my phone.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
Stay right there, please.
Excuse me?
You're detained right now.
4113.
Okay.
I need my phone.
No,
need
you
my
understand?
phone. I need my phone.
No, not right now.
Excuse me? Not right now? What is your... what's
Deputy
your name?
Martin Reyes.
Martin Reyes.
Yes, ma'am.
Please call Deputy Key West Police Officer.
Who you want me to call?
So you know what just happened there? Because I saw it in her eyes. She went to bring her ex-husband as a card to play, and then she stopped going, I really don't want to do that, actually. Like, we actually once the gears turn, and she stopped herself from making a drunk dial.
Do I really want
what just
to
happened.
tell my
I really want
ex-husband
my ex-husband here.
to
Is
know that I
actually
am
going to help me?
drunk as a skunk
Yeah.
and about to be arrested?
Did she growl? I think she might have growled, yeah. There might be a demon in there.
Bodgret.
How are you doing? Okay, what's
Bodrick?
going on? How are you related?
So this gentleman had his blinker on, and he was going like 30, 35 miles an hour.
Okay, who are you?
I'm Mark. This is my car right up here. I was right behind this.
You are the one who called us.
He is the one who called you.
Okay, let me talk to you first. I want to be right with you, okay? So you're the one who called.
I'll be honest, I don't know what's with the big muscly bound dude. Although I will say, absolutely fit. Bro has it going on.
Called us.
Yeah.
Tell me what's going on.
She hit me when I was pulling out of Sugarloaf Boulevard, and then she took off. So I turned around and chased her. She did a loop, come back on US 1, and I called the deputy.
By the way, don't do that. If you get hit, like maybe
No, don't
try
do
and
that.
get the license plate. But other than that, just call the police and give them like the license plate number if you can, or a description of the car and where you're at. But don't chase them. Also, if the hit is bad enough, a description of the car will be plenty for a cop to find them, because cops can spot like even small damage on cars like that. Most of the time.
Yeah.
Well, I called the sheriff's department, followed her. This gentleman passed me because I was only going 35. When he passed me, he realized that this guy was messed up because he was swerving back and forth. The lady was swerving back and
Okay.
forth. And then I guess you or somebody else pulled him over. We went in there, and that's as far as I know.
All right, do you have damage to your car?
Yeah.
Pablo.
Is that the old guy or the young guy?
He's my age. Is that
What's your age?
Is that old to you?
I don't know what your age is. How old are you?
I'm sorry, but if you don't know if you don't know how old I am,
I don't
you
know.
have no business. You.
So that fuck you wasn't for the cop, that was for her.
Yeah.
She told herself, fuck you. Yeah, like she's telling her own brain, fuck you, you're not working at all. You know, words I choose are coming out the way they're supposed to.
Well, you gotta be rude. I'm not being rude to you.
Yes, you are.
Why am I being rude to you?
You know what you're doing.
Yes.
So she sideswiped you.
Yeah, she
Hey,
sideswiped
you
me
know,
right.
you
She's
know what
trying
you
to get on
did.
Sugarloaf Boulevard, and she didn't make it. She just hit me.
Okay, so she's gonna have a damage to the driver's side of the vehicle, right?
She should have it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the driver's side of the vehicle.
She should.
Yeah, you can kind of see it. It's obviously hard to tell with
Yeah.
the camera, but you can see at least the paint
Well,
that's on it.
The funny thing is, it looks like it was white paint, and white on white is gonna be harder to determine damage on. If she had like a red car or something like that, then you can, oh yeah, you guys swap paint, the damage is clear, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
15
But she should have damage on her driver's side, so.
Exactly, yeah.
years.
Okay, 15 years what?
Robert
Robert?
Sunderman,
Who's that?
Key West KD.
Okay. Once again, we are not in Key West.
I know. Neither were you when you followed me.
I just got here. I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, I don't know. Did you pull me over?
That was me.
That was
No.
you pulled me over.
It is, oh,
Where
yeah.
were you when you pulled
Yeah.
me over?
Right behind you.
Where?
Yeah, yeah.
Behind you.
Where?
Right behind.
Where? What are you doing? What are you, oh my god, look at that. This is actually a great still frame for like a sci-fi movie, like that has some horror. Look, you can see the demon in one eye.
Where? Right behind you?
Where?
Right out here.
You think I don't know?
Where was I?
Give me my phone
I
and
don't
I'll tell you.
know what's
Where was
happening.
I? Why? Because of your friend behind you? called you.
Stay right there. You're going to be
Don't
placing handcuffs. You understand?
Don't
Ma'am,
walk.
you're going to be putting handcuffs if you don't relax.
Please call.
We're not calling anybody.
Please call.
We are not calling
Pablo.
anybody.
We're not calling nobody.
Okay?
USPD.
He's not going to be able to do anything for you, okay?
Why are you doing this?
Because you're detained right now. And if
Why?
you keep trying to
Why?
walk away, you're going to be
Why am
handcuffed.
I detained?
Because we're conducting a criminal investigation, okay?
For what?
For crash, hit, and run.
Who did that?
And how much do we really have
I
to
did
drink?
not do anything. One Bloody Mary. One.
Just one?
One. Yes, just one. Give me my phone.
You will
and I
not gonna get a phone.
I will be cooperate.
Man, you're not going back to that vehicle, okay?
I want to talk to Detective Pablo Rodriguez of the Key West PD, and I want to do it right now, or I'm gonna mose my.
You need to relax.
I'll be honest. I have no idea what she was trying to even say there.
She was going to say, or I'm going to lose my shit.
I'm going to mose
That's what
my.
she was going to try to say, but Mose came out. There was an M instead of an L. This girl's going through it. That's all I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Calm down. Please.
Then call him.
I'm not calling him. I'm
I'm
not calling
not gonna
anybody.
relax until you tell me you're gonna call him.
Okay, so I was just behind this gentleman, and he had his flashers on, and was going like 30, 35 miles an hour, and I was like, all right, I gotta get around this guy. I don't know what he's doing. As soon as I get ahead of him, I see what he was doing because this person's all over the road. So I did the same thing he did. I just hung back when we were pulling up on this past bridge. You or the other officer, I saw you pull out right behind me, and I knew exactly what was going on then, that you were waiting for that person, and that's when I pulled over to the side so you could get around me and get behind this.
Okay.
Okay, so you
He's just a witness.
Yeah.
And he was like, I'll stop too. So like you have like a corroborating story to like this lady being nuts.
didn't
Yeah, this is cops doing their
you didn't
job.
witness the crash.
No, sir.
And you basically just witnessed her like being all over the road.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Damn, is that her?
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think that might have been her.
Okay, you're an adult.
I want my phone. Please call Pablo. I didn't do anything. I
detained right
haven't
now.
hurt anybody.
You're
I
failing
have
to
not.
obey my commands to stay
No,
still.
I have not. You did not tell me to stay still.
You to stay right there. You're going to be
Don't.
placing handcuffs.
Did he tell me to stay still?
Yes,
No,
we both
he did
did.
not.
We
He
both
did not. No, he did not.
Yes, we did.
Kribla! Lima! Linda!
Who?
Li-
Wow, you were so
Lima.
drunk.
Linda.
You're so drunk it took you 3 tries to get your friend's name out of your drunken mouth. Jesus. That was literally you almost got 3 strikes on that. You got it on the 3rd swing, but Jesus.
Let me call my friend.
You need to
Please.
relax.
No, what you're doing to me is unfair, and it's unjust, and it's not right. Linda! Linda!
Have a seat. Relax.
I am
Wow,
relaxed.
careful.
Linda! If you do not call Pablo,
You need to have a seat.
you're gonna have a problem.
Have a seat.
You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! You're hurting me! I'm
You
very
need to follow orders. Sit down and stay still.
Pablo! Pablo!
Lord.
Yeah, there it is. White scuff marks
Why
on the
are
black
you
bumper.
detaining me?
Because you're failing to comply with my legal lawful
Oh, but
orders.
I haven't done anything to you.
I have tried to explain to you, but you're not listening.
Funnily enough, this is one of the first times in one of these videos that we've seen one of the police cars with the bars in front of the window in the back seat.
Yeah, this is actually. I don't know where they are, but wherever they are, they needed bars in their windows. That's pretty spicy.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're trying to explain to me because I don't speak English.
I do not try to explain to me. I do not speak English.
I am beside myself right now. Like, holy shit.
I loved this one when I was listening to this at work.
Yeah, Splinter. Have you ever seen the movie Gold Dust?
I have. Yeah.
It's one of my favorite movies. You have?
Yeah.
Or you haven't?
I have, yeah.
Okay, you have. Dude, it has reminded me of that El Guapo. You speak to me. Come on, make it happen, man. Make it happen.
I listened to this while I was at work, and I was trying not to just
I watched
like.
that movie literally yesterday. So when they went full El Guapo there, well, you tried to explain to me.
Yeah. No, I was listening to this at work, and I was trying not to just like break down and crack up. So I was like,
Oh my god.
it's so good.
Let it on.
Come on, remember your face.
Please, I
No,
don't
you
speak
are
English.
detained. You are
I
detained.
only speak English.
Why? I don't speak English?
I don't know what you're saying. Please speak.
Don't be racist to me.
Excuse me?
Yes, you telling me I don't speak English?
You think I'm not from here?
I don't.
Oh my god, that was terrified. She was at a 10 out of 10 hysteria, and then her excuse me was like she was a fucking secretary. Like completely caught. That was scary. That was actually scary. That was like something I wrote. What? We're going back just a second. Okay, yeah, here we go. Left. This is fucking. She is crying hysterical. Excuse me.
Don't be racist to me.
Excuse me?
Yes, you telling me I don't speak English?
Oh my
You think I'm not from here?
I don't know where you're from.
Then why are you speaking to me like that?
Then why are you making fun of my accent?
Pablo!
Yeah, hey, what's up, Pablo? Yeah, I know better than that. Yeah. Pablo said you're on your own.
Excuse me?
Pablo said you're on your own.
I want to speak to him and he can tell me
He didn't want
himself.
to talk to you.
And please tell me what you accuse me of.
Crashing into something and leaving.
What? Click it. What? What? Did I crash the interview?
She
That's what we're trying to find out.
I will call my
She actually said clock. I can't right now. Oh my god. I see what you meant. Holy shit, she
Oh
just
my.
said the word clock. That's fucking
Excuse
hilarious.
me?
Pablo said you're on your own.
I want to speak to him and he can tell me
He didn't want
himself.
to talk to you.
And please tell me what you're
Data.
accusing me of.
He doesn't want to
into
talk to
something
you.
and leaving.
What? Click it.
What's clock? Clock it, man. Oh my god, who is Pablo Abla? We don't know. We don't know what's happening anymore, but all we know is that Pablo doesn't want to talk to her.
We
She
pulled.
wants to talk to Pablo. Pablo doesn't want to talk to her.
I love this next phrase she drops.
What? What? Did I crash the interview of him?
I'm sorry, what? I crashed. I'm gonna vomit. Okay.
I
so,
crash be in
she's
if you
finally at the
vomit.
point. See, she's at the point. We just watched her in real time go from so drunk she doesn't know what's happening to starting to pay for it. She's about to throw up. Is what's about to happen. She whipped herself into so much of her frenzy. She's at the bad part of alcohol.
Internet Zen Master, citizens not rubbernecking and trying to help the local community by being easily available witnesses in this America, duality of the Florida man.
I know, right?
That's what we're trying to find out.
I will call
You're
my
gonna get sprayed.
ex-husband. Call my ex-husband right now.
You need to relax.
Call him right
Call
now.
him.
I am calling anybody. How old are you? You're an adult. You are a grown woman.
I'm a grown woman. You're
Yes.
a grown man. Let
Correct.
me out.
No, you're detained.
You're a grown man.
You are detained.
If you say I'm a grown man, you let me, won't him?
You are detained.
What?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my god.
Please, my dog
You
needs
need to
to get
relax.
out.
Where's your dog?
He's in my bus.
Is he in your truck?
Yes, but not my truck, my bus.
I didn't see a bus.
Boss.
Please take me to my dog.
What type of dog you have?
He's a Labrador. He's not gonna hurt you.
I got 2 dachshunds, 1 pit
Dog
bull.
scents are awful. What? And pit bulls.
I know that why
Jesus.
people don't like pit bulls, but I've never heard a person in my life say Dachshunds are awful.
Dachshunds are fucking. They're wiener dogs, guys. It's literally like, who can hate a fucking dachshund? It's crazy. But also, by the way, the reason why I love the dachshund is the Rick and Morty quote from Snowball was like, "Would you breed him like the dachshund?" I don't know why every time that just line delivery, the way he does it, is so fucking funny. But how do you hate wiener dogs? You can't hate a wiener dog. They're adorable. I don't even really like small breed dogs, but like a dachshund's goddamn cute.
Oh yeah.
They're awful.
Did you hear that there was a pack of wild dachshunds that killed a woman?
Take me to my dog.
That's the baddest dogs ever. That hurt my feelings.
So I don't know if anyone knows this, but there was a story I read like 2 or 3 years ago now, where it's the only recorded human death relating to wiener dogs, and it was a pack of feral wiener dogs that attacked this old lady. And yeah, so the dachshund actually does have a human kill on their kill count, which is it's pretty crazy considering their size.
Take me to a dog.
Okay,
Give me my dog.
ma'am.
No, you have no right to detain me without no telling me why.
Okay,
And no
Where's my
telling me.
dog?
okay, I'm gonna explain you what's going on.
No, I don't want an explanation. I want ounce.
You're being under arrest.
Wait! Imagine that I am your wife. How would you want someone
Stop.
to handle? No! Imagine
You
that
have-
I
you have
am
a
your
dog?
wife.
You have a-
Imagine that
Do
you.
you- do you have a-
Imagine
Stop.
that I am your wife.
Can you
stop?
Can you stop?
Stop!
Yelling?
No!
Can we talk
No!
like adults?
No!
Okay,
Until
then
you
we're not
stop.
gonna talk at all.
No, we cannot stop it at all.
If you can transport, I'm gonna follow.
Stop kicking!
Then let me out!
Ray, she keeps kicking my damn doors.
Look, you're gonna get sprayed.
Thank you, please. Please let me out, please. I have problems with anxiety. Please, just let me, please.
Listen.
Please, my anxiety.
And here comes the straps.
I don't know.
Sorry, what was that?
The straps are coming out.
Yep.
Gilfy is a wiener dog. Is he actually?
So that's something I guess a lot of people. Obviously, she's not thinking about this
Is
because
he
she's drunk as a skunk. But I've seen people that are
Yeah.
completely sober do this. The more violent you are in the back of a police car doesn't mean they're going to let you out. They're just going to put you in increasingly more restrictive restraints. So if you enjoy your freedom of movement, just like sit calmly, please. Again,
So, no.
do not
Goofy's
fight with the
not a
police on
wiener dog.
scene. Fight with the police in court later if you really think you have a case.
Yeah. That's what you should do. You should be very quiet and compliant right now.
Yeah.
If you're gonna get a win, it won't be in the back of a police car. It'll be, behind counsel's desk. I don't think anyone present wants to imagine her as his wife. Did you say Raphael for being a member for 3 months? I also agree. Nobody wants to imagine being this lady's wife.
Imagine I'm your wife. Well, I'm gonna get a divorce too then.
That would actually have been really funny.
You're gonna be
Imagine
divorced
I'm my
twice.
wife. I want a divorce. Just instantly, I want a divorce.
What's gonna happen?
Arrest, okay? Listen.
Please,
Listen,
my anxiety, please let me breathe. Please let me breathe. Otherwise, you're gonna. Please let me breathe.
Man,
Please let me breathe. I can't breathe.
you can breathe if you talk,
Please
you breathe.
let me breathe.
Ma'am,
I'm gonna go on the other side.
Please let me breathe. Please. I don't think you guys want me.
I don't think people realize this back when the one person who I'm not going to mention because I don't want to get in YouTube trouble died in police custody. But the I can't breathe
Oh, yeah.
thing is like a staple of getting arrested by cops, and it has been for years. Every
Yeah.
other person, whenever they start getting arrested and their hands are behind their back, they immediately default to I can't breathe. It's like, yes, you can.
Yeah, there's a.
Everyone has
There
always
is
said this.
a reason why those pleas were ignored in certain cases.
Yeah, it's very
And,
common.
they've been adjudicated in regards to the federal court. He pled guilty, so there's that. But the fact of the matter is, if I were a cop and I heard someone say I can't breathe as I'm trying to arrest them, I don't know. One of my hallmarks of not being able to breathe is not being able to talk.
Yeah.
So the fact that you can even get the words out is kind of already going against your argument that you cannot breathe.
Like, you might have something if you are able to, like, rasp out, or, like, I can't breathe. But if you're sitting here
Yeah,
screaming,
sure,
I
yeah,
can't
that's
breathe at the
fucking
top of
crazy.
your lungs, you can breathe.
Yeah, you have more access than normal to your lungs right now in your drunken state. You can super breathe at the moment.
Thank you, Internet Zen. Imagine that I'm your wife. Ma'am, the Indian officer is not the weirdo Indian gentleman that sued the JP Morgan CEO over fake BS. Stop being racist.
It's crazy that when you explained to me, whoa, we're going there, huh? What does that mean? Wow. So she can breathe quite well.
Oh yeah, she's got some
I'm
pipes.
going to tell you right now that she can breathe incredibly well. In fact, she's never breathed better.
Let me go! Let me go!
You're gonna get sprayed.
Let me go! Please let me go! Please let me go! It hurts.
You're gonna get sprayed, man.
Just stop.
Either you're gonna comply or you're gonna get sprayed. I'm not playing no more games.
Stop! I know how you're.
Really quick, on my side monitor, I'm gonna look this up, but there's a case right after this I want your opinion on, and I'm gonna see if I can find it while we watch this.
Game's working.
She's preparing her ultimate.
And you're gonna kick any more charges if you don't comply.
Her ultimate.
Direct order to stop resisting.
You think I don't know what that means in your language?
Yes.
It means
Then
you can
stop resisting.
spray me if I don't.
And I'm ready to do it.
Which means you're a person.
Yes, I am. Stay still.
You person. You're all just because my ex-husband is more powerful than I am.
I have no idea who you are. I have no idea.
More powerful?
You don't care.
You shouldn't be drinking and driving, okay?
If you strike me down, I will become more powerful than you can possibly imagine.
Person.
You shouldn't be drinking and driving and putting everybody else in
Drinking
danger.
and driving? I was not drinking and driving. I want Pablo.
I want Pablo.
Go away! Go away! Go away! You're a idiot!
Spray, spray!
Don't.
Stop it, you fool!
Sheriff's office.
Yeah.
Hello. Sorry to bother you, sir. Do you know a Heather?
Yeah.
Do you guys have her dog or anything like that?
Have a what?
Does she live here?
Yeah.
She lives here. Okay.
Yeah.
She got arrested for DUI.
Did she?
Yes. And she got arrested for hit and run.
No fucking way. Did you guys? I'm playing that back. Look at this dude's fucking reaction to being told that she was arrested on DUI.
Yeah.
It is a goddamn not surprised. If I've ever seen a face that just says not surprised, it's
Do
this
you know a
one.
Heather?
Yeah.
Do you guys have her dog or anything like that?
Have a what?
Does she live here?
Yeah.
She lives here. Okay.
Yeah.
She got arrested for DUI.
Did she?
Yes.
Right there. Not surprised. Not surprised at all.
That checks out kind of look.
And she was very concerned about her dog.
Absolutely.
So I don't know if she's just making a dog up or there's a dog here.
I don't know where the dog is.
She's saying there's a boss that's parked out here. I don't know
There's
what. A boss.
Yeah, that's over here. RV.
So she's saying her dog is in there.
Okay.
Okay, and she's very worried about her dog.
She probably wants somebody to take the dog out
Can you
for a
guys
walk.
can you guys take care of the dog?
Yeah.
Thank you. Appreciate it, sir. Thank you.
Now, what a pain in the ass this chick is. She left the scene of an accident.
Yes.
She got drunk.
Yes. Are you guys like family or?
My wife is a good friend of hers. We've been helping her out. She's in jail now?
She's on her way, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, sir. Have a good night.
This is a guy that's about to go
Southern
inside and be like,
hospitality.
so you know that crazy bitch you said we had to let live with us?
Yeah, she did some crazy bitch shit.
Yeah. Thank you, Internet Zen. My ex-husband. Well, I think we know why Pablo left, lady. You're crazy. The old black man's expression is absolute peak. Yeah, no, that's definitely like a face of, yeah, that checks out.
Thank you for finally letting me go. Everything is going on. This is all under surveillance, Sir Fo. Just so you know this, you're all getting watched. And when they see what you've done to me,
I haven't done anything to you.
ow! Ow! You see how strong I
my god! Yeah. Holy shit! Okay, girl, you need to stop talking right now. If I
Yeah.
heard that, I would be like, okay, time to stop talking.
Yeah, we're done for the day.
I haven't begun to treat you badly yet. Oh shit.
That man left with a vindicated look. I have a feeling he's about to go inside and be like, so you know how I've been saying I want that lady out of our house for a while?
Yeah.
What's your name? Can I see your name? He won't tell me his name. Make him say me see his name.
My name is Daniels.
Daniels what?
Daniels.
What Daniels?
Deputy.
Oh yeah? Talk to Pablo.
Deputy Daniels.
Talk to Pablo. Talk to... Ow! 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 You fuck! Ow! Look at me! You stupid fuck! It's video surveillance right now. The fact that you're making me piss myself is your fucking false belt. I am the former wife of a police officer. You stupid fuck! And you're gonna pay. Okay, pay. All of you are gonna pay. It hurts. Please stop. Okay. It hurts. It hurts. That one right here. I'm pissed all over myself because these. And if you're done laughing at me, you know that's going to your report, right? You know that locking and laughing at
Smap.
me and mocking
I'm
me
not
is
sure what
going to
smap
your
is.
report, you stupid fuck.
Alright, she's been, yeah.
By the walls, I can keep an eye on her.
The suspect takes the next hour to finish her booking process and very slowly calms down. When she's allowed to leave, however, she still doesn't fully cooperate.
This deputy needs you to sign some of his citations.
Can you stand here, please? Signing those citations, it's not admission of any guilt. First citation
I like how they still have the Indian officer talking with her.
is for a DUI. I'm gonna need your.
How long did I would have kept her in the drunk tank longer.
Yeah, I wouldn't be letting her go. She'd be overnight at least.
Like, the fact that it's still the same guy, it means it has to be within the same shift, and absolutely not.
Yeah.
I'm keeping her overnight, at least.
Signing here.
What's the next one for?
It's for DUI with property damage.
With
and
property damage?
Yes.
What property was damaged?
The other car.
What other car?
It was the car you hit.
I didn't hit a car.
Okay, that's gonna be for the judge and for the
What's the
lawyers
third
to
one
decide. It's for a hit and run, so leaving the crash scene. The crash happened on the corner of Sugarloaf Boulevard and US 1 when you were turning left into the Sugarloaf Boulevard, okay?
I didn't go to Sugarloaf Boulevard.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't remember where he went.
Anyway.
Right here. All right, so that's what you're being charged. On the top of it, you're being charged with resisting arrest without violence, and for assault on the law enforcement officer, you try to beat and try to bite sergeant. Okay.
Yeah.
The pens THC.
The ones that they stuck in my pocket? Just put that in
Okay,
my pocket.
you.
No, they didn't. No, they didn't. That's funny. That's really funny. If they were going to plant drugs on you, it's going to be hard drugs. I mean,
a corrupt
not in
officer planted
modern
fucking
age.
THC pens on you.
Yeah, that's not that's not really happening. Maybe in like one of the few states where it's fully illegal still, but let's be real, it's like 36 to 40 states it's legal in some measure.
Yeah.
We know this is Florida. I know Florida it's legalized in some measure. So
Again, not letting me talk. I'm trying to explain you something, okay?
No, but you weren't the one.
I'm not gonna charge you with it. I'm just gonna put it to the property for destruction.
I don't care.
Otherwise, I can charge you with felony if you would like.
Then destroy it. It's fine. It's
Okay,
fine.
all right, it's gonna be destroyed.
I appreciate that, by the way, because they put this in my pocket.
Who put this in your pocket?
Whoever arrested me, whoever drugged me out of my truck and bruised me the
Yeah, that's insane. Just go with sergeant.
This suspect, Heather, was
oh,
charged
that's insane. Get the fuck out of
So
here.
we have DUI, unlawful, DUI, influence of alcohol or drugs, hit and run, leave the
Hit and
scene of a
run.
crash, resist officer,
Resisting
simple
officer,
assault on
obstruction.
officer, and DUI,
Yeah, and DUI
property damage.
unlawful. I really wish we had gotten But her levels.
So the first one
I would have loved to get her levels.
pled guilty, pled no contest, pled guilty. And then the other two, I guess, were... I don't know what happened with those. Or if they're still going on.
They might... Well... Yeah, that's a good question.
She got probation sentences for all three.
Oh, she was no prost on... Look at this. For disposition.
Yeah.
She was no prost on August 29th, 2024 for the simple assault on an officer and no information. And on the final charge.
Yeah. Also, to point out like how long some of these cases take when you do shit like this, these were filed in 2022. Yeah. They were at the disposition was 2024.
2025.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so it happened 2022, disposition was 2024, and the sentence was almost a full year later, over a full year for the actual sentence. So don't do this. You'll be tied up in court for a fucking while, man. Like,
yeah, for a hot minute.
Poor Indian officer must be the new guy on the force if he had to deal with this lady. Hope his coworkers bought his drinks for at least a month.
Seriously.
Yeah, I don't know why he ended up doing everything with her, because he wasn't the first cop on the scene. The kind of overly aggressive guy was. But I guess he took ownership of the case when he got there.
I guess.
Is
this Florida still? Then is this GTA 6? Yeah, that was just GTA 6 raw footage.
Driving under the influence, hit and run involving damage to property, resisting obstructing without violence, simple assault on a peace officer, and driving under the influence causing damage to property. She took a plea deal, pleading guilty to driving under the influence and resisting obstructing without violence, and pleading no contest to hit and run involving damage to property, while the other charges were dismissed. Heather was sentenced to 12 months of probation.
Have you ever watched someone so intoxicated that reality and language start separating from each other?
That was the best part. Is that she could not hold the words together. So Ava, I'm gonna have to screen share this one with you because I cannot find a YouTube clip of it without
Gotcha.
Without like a whole bunch of other bullcrap attached to it. But I did want your opinion on it, though you may have already seen it.
Right, let me do the full screen. Oh no, I think I have seen this one.
But I at least want chat to see it as well.
Absolutely.
And just tell me when you're good.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah, we're ready.
Yo.
Because you're stupid and you can't read a sign.
Chill the fuck out.
Back away from me right now. Back away from me right now.
We're about to leave. Like,
We're leaving.
And
we're literally leaving.
your car and get out of here.
Okay, then walk away.
Okay with my car. Please leave. Please leave. We already said that we were leaving. That was the first thing that came out of my mouth.
Yeah, the first thing that came out of my mouth is you're not allowed to park here.
Yeah,
That's okay, and we're leaving.
Why would I apologize? You called us an asshole.
Because
You were being disrespectful to start with.
they're ticketing people.
Okay, well, we're leaving.
It's not your rule that we have to apologize for. Don't come up in my face.
Yo, yep. Absolutely.
Alright, get in the car, let's go.
Back the fuck away from me. You just fucking hit me. You're gonna break your fucking window.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Mace him again. Okay, no, he's leaving. Don't mace him. Sorry.
No, I'm actually I think he's an ass, but no, like it's definitely not deserved. This is actual criminal activity from the girls.
It depends.
Well, no, because he's walking away. She shot him from the back.
Because this is in defense of oneself or others. She was approaching one of the other girls.
No, he isn't. The girl filming is the.
He not?
No, he's walking. He's literally walking away.
No, there's a third. No, go back and more. Yeah, right there.
No, the girl that's filming is the third girl.
Okay, I see.
The girl that's filming is the third girl. This is the second girl.
He was walking away.
And then the first girl is way off to the left.
Away, then no. Okay, there's no one to the right of the cameraman here.
Yeah, this is the only one. He was leaving.
Okay.
She just sprayed him because she felt like it at this point.
Yeah, no, you can't do that. If the person is retreating in any way, then you can't engage in, say, self-defense.
Yeah. That's
Yeah,
the
he was
thing, like, the
walking.
guy is a bit of an
I thought he was
ass.
approaching, threatening someone who was, like, on the right of this camera person because someone said something, and he stopped and he started walking in that direction. I see he stopped, started just walking away. I
Yeah.
thought he was approaching another person that actually doesn't exist, so that was my bad.
Yeah, no, she just straight up hit him.
Yeah. No, you don't do that.
And, like, yeah, he's being kind of a boomer ass, but first off, he's technically correct. He's like, you're not allowed to park here. But on the second part, he's like, okay, fine, I'm just leaving, whatever. And then she's like, I'm just gonna spray the shit out of him. It's like, what? And as
I
much
did
as
get it wrong. Okay, calm down with me needing correction. Everyone just
so I don't agree with states that see stuff like this and then make stuff like bear mace illegal because you do need it for I think you should be allowed to have it for protection. However, videos like this are what convinces
you
states
should
to
be
like ban
charged
that
with a
shit.
felony for using bear mace on somebody.
Yeah.
You should not be using bear mace of all things on a person. That's crazy. It's several times more powerful.
Yeah, there's a couple things here. First off, it's bear mace,
form
which is
of assault
ridiculously
would
strong.
this qualify as? This is definitely assault and battery, and depending on the jurisdiction, there are like assault with a chemical agent and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, these girls could absolutely be facing some serious criminal charges, given that from the angles that we have, he was while still being an asshole, retreating. He had officially de-escalated the situation, and you attack anytime. Like, this is actually a perfect pause frame. If you are attacking someone and you're attacking them from their back, you are in the wrong. 9 times out of 10. Not like, seriously, 9 times out of 10. If someone is fleeing or actively has their back to you and you decide to attack them, that's on you, not on them.
Yeah. So this is
My on-screen chat box froze.
Do what?
Hold on.
Oh.
Technically, when lights.
This is one of those cases where the YouTube lawyers at first thought it was so clearly her in the wrong. They were making videos like, well, in her defense, like this is a defense she could try and use. And then they started looking at people talking about it, and they're like, oh, wait, you actually think she's in the right for doing this? No, like you can't do this. You can't just say, I feel threatened, so now I can shoot somebody in the back.
I went with it, and I'm like, okay, the guy, like him approaching aggressively the way he did while he has, that is true. He did attack with his fishing poles, but only after he was attacked. That's a weird one. But the defense that would be used that kind of fell apart was the fact that I assumed he was presenting himself as a threat to an unseen party to the right of the camera woman.
So the closest
that
we
was
have...
my bad. But if that had happened, because I thought she said something fucking snarky, and he went quiet and fucking like went at something. It turns out no, he was just walking away.
Yeah.
But
the closest
issue here is in the same way. He was attacked, right? He turned around. She had also retreated, and he went attacked with his fishing pole. So his defense is actually much stronger because you're not really thinking clearly after receiving a face full of bear mace. So in regards to whose defensive self-defense is stronger, absolutely his more so than what girls here.
Also, you can't argue that he knew she had retreated after that because he can't see.
I don't know how well he can see. He's taking that mace to the back of the head, not to the eyes.
Also, because I did find the other angle, the closest somebody is to the right to him is behind a car.
Okay, then that's fine. That's not.
So there's no way he could have gotten at her
between you two.
But you can see in this, like, just how much of it gets on his face. Like, just all up the side of his...
that's entire right side of his eye is fucking done. Yeah, so...
Look how close that is,
continue to play,
too.
because it should... That's so close. That's meant for like, that's a spray of like 30 feet.
Yeah.
That you're supposed to be away from because it's bear mace. Continue to click play though. I want to see from this angle his retaliation.
The effective stopping range and recommended usage range of bear mace is 15 to 30 feet.
Yeah, 15 to 30 feet.
She's about a foot away from his face.
Yeah, that's like a foot and a half.
It's also like she's got her arm extended and she's moving forward. She's intentionally trying to get as close as possible to hit him with it.
Yeah, no, because he's already, as I can see, this is a perfect angle to show that there wasn't a mystery person on the right, but they're behind a fucking car. They are under no threat from him approaching. Okay, so he does that. It's fine right now. If he's gonna whip back and just literally swing backwards from after he did, then absolute, yeah, justifiable.
Yeah, he just immediately swings back. He doesn't even really look.
He just pivoted on his heel. He did not actually advance or anything, and he did like a fucking behind your fucking back. You were just attacked. Yeah, okay, and that he should not have continued to approach after that initial swing. That's not good. But I mean, look, the fact of the matter is, crimes occurred on both parts here, but the girls are more at fault than the men, in my opinion.
Yeah.
That's just where we are here.
Like, don't just fucking spray people just because you feel like you can.
See, right here, this is all fine. Pause it.
Nope.
You know, he approached aggressively enough where it's like, okay, I'm feeling threatened by you. Get back, do all that. All of this right now, up to this point, is perfectly in line with the law. But there's a point where it's no longer.
I also think this would not go as well in their case because towards the middle of it, he was actually pretty calm. And he says they're ticketing people for doing this. It's like, okay, so he's actually...
Yeah, he calmed down.
You're going to go to court and you're like...
But he then talked to you in a much calmer way than he initially approached. Yeah. I understand the initial, whoa, hey, what's going on here? But he wasn't continuing to be threatening or moving threatening or speaking belligerently. He wasn't doing anything that would cause the perceived threat to persist.
Yeah.
So if he's bringing it down to like, hey, they're ticketing people, stuff like that, then that's clear de-escalation. You cannot continue to, as a reasonable person, think that you are under threat.
Yeah. So this case is actually super recent. There is basically no other information outside of this video, which got recorded by two different girls.
Be keeping our eyes on it. This is going to be an interesting one.
Also, I'm not a person to be like this because I'm a very sex positive person. Jesus Christ, put some clothes on.
A little bit, yeah.
What are you people wearing? You literally look like hookers. What's the?
I don't know how hot it is there.
What's the skit? You might not be a hooker, but you're wearing the uniform.
Yeah. Yeah, your shorts are entirely too short.
Yeah. And they don't even look good.
That's the big thing. No, they don't.
It looks weird.
You thought you had that bikini bod. You do not.
But I do have a video for you guys. Atari, you're wearing less because you're in a house.
Yes, we do have one more.
Also, you're my whore, so it's fair. Anyways, you might chat. I'll try and keep the levels fine, but on this next one, you might have to turn it down at some points.
In this episode, pursue a driver for a simple speeding violation.
Oh, hold on.
The woman behind the wheel, who may have some anger
skipped ahead
management
an inch.
issues, insists the officer.
Hold on, I'm so sorry. I just had my brain melt because there we go. I was streaming it from Discord and also watch along, and it was like a...
Oh yeah, I forgot to...
echo and stuff, and my brain just went to die.
She parked before he activated his lights. Then things get even stranger when she accuses the officer himself of committing a traffic violation.
Hello?
I'm on the phone with your police department right now. You can't pull me over when my car's off.
Yeah, I can, because I got you speeding before.
So before I had even seen this whole video, I had already bookmarked it for the stream at this part. Because I love videos where somebody does the home base strategy with police. Of, you can't ticket me, I've stopped, I'm at home. Like, it's too late, you didn't catch me while I was on the road. I love the home base strategy. It's so funny.
The home base strategy is hilarious. It shows that some people really, truly have not grown past the 8-year-old. You know, making it to home tree while playing hide and seek.
Yeah. So some of you say you've already seen
I am
this.
not a Who R3 joke.
So some of you say you've already seen
Thank
this.
you so
I
much,
hope
Will
you
Smith,
that
for the
haven't
two.
seen this are in for a treat.
I don't think we've seen this.
Yeah. But just know, 30 seconds in, this is where I was like, okay, I'll add this to my list. Without
I see
knowing
why
any
you
other
did.
context to the rest of the video.
Immediately.
Which makes the rest of the video so much better.
Before you were stopped, so
You should have had your lights on. You can't have your lights on and pull me over after. You have a cop right here trying to pull me over with my first law and I've been parked out parking in front. That's illegal and you can't do that. I don't feel comfortable. I don't feel safe and I want him away from my car.
99.89. Do you mind coming to my stop?
That's him talking. That's your little friend. Go get him. Go get his sergeant. I want his sergeant here now.
He's on his way.
I didn't know that I'm parked and I've been in a parking spot and some fucking guy thought that he could do something here. Pathetic fucking shit. When the fuck is he gonna get here? Wow, yeah. Oh shit. When the fuck is he getting here?
Jesus, this is I don't even know what this is.
She is
How
on
can
the
you
phone with
operate
dispatch.
this level of hubris. I just wow. When the fuck? Well, he has to drive there. Yeah, no shit. What's happening? I'm trying to help you.
When does he get here? He's like, I
Stop
don't
it.
know, woman. I don't have a tracker in his car. What do you mean?
Damn, what is it? ETA?
What a lovely. Isn't she lovely? Oh no. Oh, god damn it. We instantly went there, huh?
Yep.
We're instantly in the white privilege board, huh? God, I am so tired. I have fatigue.
Fucking trigger happy shit-faced friends down the street, huh? Alright, fucking wanted to now, you fucking idiot!
Negative. I'm waiting for my sergeant, another unit. She's irate.
Yeah, why don't they hurry the fuck up now? I'm getting harassed by a police officer.
Yeah, she got off the phone with dispatch and now is calling dispatch a second time.
This is great, because every time that she does this is another charge.
Exactly.
Illegally, and I feel unsafe.
Yeah,
and
woke
I'm
zoomer.
almost
Hey,
18.
shut up. Sorry. I got a little defensive of my generation, but let's be real. This could absolutely be a millennial.
100%.
When they get there, oh no, I can call 911 if it's a fucking emergency. Do you know what the fuck that means? Yeah, this is a fucking emergency. You're fucking shit-faced pig! Won't leave me the fuck alone!
I think it's
literally walked up to the
Zoomer.
car.
She's irate. Yeah, no shit, she's irate. It's an understatement, honestly.
I just love the idea that somebody unironically uses white privilege as an argument and then proceeds to call the person a derogatory slur for gay people.
Yeah, by the way, for people who want to know what Zoomer is usually people born roughly between 1997 and 2012.
I believe, based on what I've heard in her second case, that she is probably a Zoomer then.
Oh, god damn it. Stop ruining our reputation more than it already has been.
Thank you, Internet Zen. My elderly grandpa, rest in peace, who was hard of hearing and towing a boat backed behind him, was tackled to the lawn after he got home by a cop who followed him with lights and siren on because his tail light was out. Home base doesn't work. Yeah, no, home base isn't a thing.
Works. And usually if you get to home base, you have led the cops on such a long chase, their adrenaline is so high, they're likely to do something far more violent than had you just pulled away.
Wolfsbane just says, just call it like it is. It's a Karen.
It's a Karen, that's true.
A young Karen, too. Rare you see them.
Is this not the one where Eva was drooling over the cop? No. No, that's a different one.
Yeah.
I know who you're talking about, but I know this isn't that one.
Yeah.
The body cams were actually better.
Yeah.
Like these ones are kind of fuzzy.
7 down Butterfield, and she pulled in here and turned the car off. And as I walked up, she was just losing her mind. So
okay, is she by herself?
Yeah.
Actually, have you had really no conversation with her yet?
Nope. She literally has just been yelling and calling 911. So I called you right away.
Okay. How you doing? I'm the sergeant you
Oh,
requested.
Students Panda just asked. I'm so sorry.
What is going on?
Eva, can I ask you co-host of something? And my co-host's name is Mizutamari, first of all.
Hi.
But apparently they ask, what is this water balloon toggle I heard about? Well,
you mean
you're
this
probably
one?
going to see it now. There it is. There you go, Fibris Panda. I can show to them, my brain immediately goes, oh god, that sounds awful if it's what I think it is. No, it's way better. It's not what you thought it was, and that makes it even better.
This is going to go downhill very quickly, by the way. Somebody immediately popped my balloons.
Wow, yeah.
Nice car.
Thank you for the nice pee-pee.
7 in a 40-mile-an-hour zone, and that was the reason for the stop.
I'm getting a fucking parking spot.
No, that's not.
No, that's it. Are you sure about that?
I was in the parking spot before that fucking bastard turned his fucking lights on.
You might have parked, and then he conducted the traffic stop. That can't happen.
I've been parked
so,
for a good minute. Can't fucking do that. Sure.
I see who you're talking about. I see. This is the one who's cussing quite often, right?
Yep. And I was like, I can't play this at the start of the stream, even if it's all censored.
Yeah, no, this has gotta be an ending.
Okay.
This fucking video.
I don't need to pull his video right now.
Video.
Ma'am, I don't need to pull his video right now.
You're gonna believe the fucking word against mine?
I am, yeah.
I fucking think so.
Okay, well, here's what's gonna happen then. All right, we'll write the citation, and then you can take it. Yep, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, I understand that you might not feel that's right.
No, you don't. You wanna fucking die? Get the fuck away from me! Get away from me! Get the fuck away from me!
You screaming at me is not.
Frankly, I would have taken that as a threat and just dragged her out of a car right there.
Yeah.
In my opinion. You wanna fucking die? Get the fuck. That was a quid pro quo.
I think this is the funniest part, is this lady immediately accuses them of basically being racist. That's definitely what the white privilege accusation was supposed to be.
Oh,
but
yeah, absolutely.
You're gonna see it, this video, she got literally the world's calmest cops, like, in the fucking country.
I can already see that. After that, him just standing there and just letting her freak out, you have some saint-like cops there with their patience.
Yeah, like, you're still sealed in your car, you're screaming that you're going to kill them, and he's like, ma'am, yelling at me isn't gonna do much.
Yeah, this is crazy. Like, you're literally being handled with kid gloves right now.
Are you threatening me now? Do you want to be arrested?
I will say, only a Zoomer is capable of screaming at that octaves.
Yeah.
Millennials and older have they've lost that fire.
That ability.
You know, she's still got the demon is still very fresh in her.
Really quick, thank you, Wolfsbane. You said you were thinking of the I'm not a whore joke by Dave Chappelle. Thank you, Baked Buddhist. It says she's an angry elf.
5150. Okay, first of all, no, absolutely not. I would never be this irate.
Yeah.
Which is absolutely the word I'm going to use now, by the way, because the fact that the Cubs are using irate is just hilarious to me. It's such a downplay on the absolute demon that is being unleashed inside this car.
No, my grandpa was understandably annoyed at being tackled, but because he cursed once, he wasn't able to go after the cop for excessive force, and this was decades before body cams existed, and in Portland. That would be wild.
Ew, yeah, that's just, yeah, that's not good.
Especially in Portland.
Are you okay? What's
I love how he's just like, are you okay? You had a good time? You want to talk about it? It's like, dude, she's trying to kill you.
Yeah.
It's like, it's, you know what it reminds me of? That one fucking video of the old guy going, see, when I like to relax, I like to pet my dog. It's a very relaxing time, and he tries to, like, pet and the dog's, like, trying to fucking rip his hand off, but the dog's been defanged, so it has no teeth.
Yeah.
So he keeps talking about how relaxing it is, and the dog is losing its fucking mind.
You're just breaking your own stuff. Why did you pull in here when my officer lit you up?
Just don't stand behind the car in case she decides to back out.
Oh, I don't believe that.
Oh, you want to rescue standby?
No, fine right now.
Okay.
Okay. There's no need to call 911 again.
Get the fuck away from my car!
Okay, as soon as I have the identification, we'll write your citation. We'll be out of here.
Why don't you go fucking fetch it, you fucking dog?
Oh god, that was a woke zoomer.
I've dealt with it before.
You can just disconnect with her. We're here. If you want to. I mean, she's just gonna keep yelling at you.
Yeah, it's if somebody acts like this multiple times, thank you for the head pats, by the way. It's
Thank you.
kind of it's kind of a memorable case, right? Like if you've had to deal with this
Yeah,
person
when he's
before,
like, yeah, I've dealt with her before.
you don't forget this.
No. And the way he said it too was like, this ain't nothing yet, just wait.
Yeah, I know her. You can like hear the exhaustion in his voice.
No, did you not see when she stepped out, she literally looked like a woke zoomer.
Oh yeah.
Like if you looked up the term woke zoomer up on Urban Dictionary, it'd just be a picture of her.
Exactly. Oh yeah, if you didn't notice, it says officer replaces license and throwing wallet. She did, in fact, throw her wallet and tell him to fetch.
Well, that's pretty wild.
I mean, we could do disorderly conduct.
There's your citation and your ID badge. Through the window. There's your citation for speed.
Yeah, are you fucking talking? You get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out!
Dude, these cops are so calm.
After slipping the speeding ticket through her cracked window, the officer...
I'd like to point out, they have put the speeding ticket in her window, and they are about to leave. We are 6 minutes into a 17-minute video.
So clearly, something happens.
Thank you, Wolfsbane. Says, I know this voice. The cop is trolling her so hard.
Mama, do you need a Snickers? You're kind of,
Yeah. Then another one says, not even that hard. He's tone trolling her.
They are the embodiment of... I mean, look, he totally is. But this is absolutely what I want my cops to do.
Yeah.
This is, yeah, because she's fucking crazy. Is it worth it engaging it? Up to a point? No. I imagine we're going to hit the point where it is now worth engaging, but these guys are literally doing everything exactly right.
Exactly.
Figured they were done with her for the night. But as they pulled away, the woman took issue with the sergeant's driving and decided to follow him all the way to the police station. During the 5-minute drive, she's had an opportunity to calm herself down.
So I have to follow every fucking law, but that fucking.
I like how he says she's had the opportunity to calm herself down. Like, yeah, I guess technically.
Yeah, but she didn't. She didn't take that time. I can't believe. Look, and she's in a Prius. Oh my god.
You can leave the fucking
This
scene
is
without
crazy.
a turn signal. Give him a ticket.
Do you need an ambulance?
He doesn't have a turn signal. Give him a ticket.
Do you need to go to the...
Why the fuck do I get a ticket? He can do whatever he wants.
Okay.
Give him a ticket.
Okay. Can I help you with anything else?
Give him a ticket. Fucking come on.
It's not gonna happen. Anything else we can help you with tonight?
Yeah. Giving him a ticket.
All right, it's not gonna happen.
What the fuck does he get to do whatever the fuck he wants for?
I just want to know, are you okay?
I'm positive I haven't seen this on Lawtism before.
Fucking dumbass! Why the fuck does it?
Chat saying, "Are you sure we haven't seen this on Lawtism?" I'm like, I would remember. If I did not remember this.
That's why I was saying I'm pretty sure we haven't done this one before. Is because like I can't remember us ever touching
It's
on
just
this.
that famous. It's very famous. I've seen clips of this.
He didn't use his turn signal!
Man, can I please call you an ambulance?
Dude, she's about to break. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just look at that. That's a broken woman.
Do you have any thoughts harming yourself?
I love how this comes like, you have any thoughts of harming yourself? Okay, you can stop trolling her. You know she's not suicidal.
Where the fuck is he?
Who are you calling?
Shut the fuck up.
Okay. If you keep calling 911, you could. It's not.
I am getting harassed. People are breaking the law.
87 is on the line again.
Affirmative.
You can.
Affirmative.
So what the fuck are they being retarded for? Don't they need to do what the fuck I say now?
This is a random thing I've noticed, but her windshield wipers are on for some reason.
She's like mid breakdown. Like we need orderlies. Like we need someone to commit her.
Oh yeah.
Like straight up. Like this is on another level. There's some other kind of crisis going on, and you're just fixating on this. I don't know what it is, but you need to talk to somebody, and that might need to be not voluntarily.
Yeah.
Jayla, you are in.
Oh my god.
An emotional state. I can't talk with you.
All of you stupid, fat, fucking white privileged mother.
You're also white.
Yeah.
I was wondering if you were white or not, but you're very white.
Like, that's the thing that throws me off when you're listening to it and you keep hearing her say white privilege. You're like, okay, so she's probably black or some kind of minority. And then you actually sit down and look at the visuals and it's like, you look really white. Really white.
Extremely white. maybe a light-skinned Latino.
Yeah. Like, maybe you're mixed.
Asylum, no. Yeah, no. You know, we don't even need an asylum anymore. We need an exorcist.
And then
I'm not even a Christian, but I think only Jesus can help her.
Thank you. Wolfsbane says she's hyperventilating from the screaming. She kind of is. And Grulgar says all we need is the ceiling bird, and this is perfect.
What band does she moonlight for? I mean, she's got some serious fucking chords. I think to be able to consistently scream this loudly.
Yeah. Woke Karen entitled Zoomer driving a Prius and anger management issues. Not to stereotype, but does she have a girlfriend?
Keep costing me money, and you do whatever the fuck you want. I wish I was a cop so I could shoot all of you the fuck up and get a pat on the back for it. You stupid.
Okay. You're going
There's
to,
no way
you
she's
could get
calling
charged.
911 again.
Okay.
There goes the window up.
That was funny.
I know from other videos that at the time this was taken, I believe she was 21 or 22. And I think this was like 3 or 4 years ago.
She's losing it. Whatever this was. She needs Buddha, Jesus, and all the pagan pantheon.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for the 2 Buddhists.
She rode me the entire way from that stop back.
If she keeps calling 911, we'll use that as an avenue, just like the other night.
I'm
just
taking
to get her out of the car. She'll go to the hospital.
She threatened to run us over. She threatened to shoot us.
I want you to notice that, by the way, what that cop says. Because normally when you watch some of these videos, you'll hear like, you know, we'll throw whatever we can at her. He says, we'll use that to send her to the hospital. Like they recognize that there's something fucked with her.
This guy needs a reward.
Yeah.
He's even de-escalating this other cop who is rightfully upset for being threatened and harassed all the way back to the station. He is clearly, he's a little hot. He wants to do something. This guy's like, no, look, we're going to use this 911 calling thing as an avenue to get her to the hospital to get her help.
Yeah.
This is the model fucking cop. Like, this is what every cop should strive to be.
Yeah. He's doing what he can.
Yes. I just don't want to fight with her.
Yeah, and this is definitely a 51-50.
So if we can get her out, if we can get her out, if she can get out on her own, if we can get her out somehow. Thanks.
All right, so here's what I would do. Are you ready? I have a really good plan of action. She really wants that one cop to get a ticket. Have them be like, okay, we're going to give him, have the pat out and be like, look, I'm writing this ticket, but I need you to step out of the vehicle because I need your report. Because you're a witness for this ticket, so the ticket can stick. And then you get her out of the car.
Yeah.
There you go. Which, yeah, I know I'm lying, but the cops are allowed to do that in the performance of their duties.
Would you like to talk to him?
Yeah, I fucking would. Get the
Oh my god! Professor Keen, thank you for the 5. Love him or hate him, at least Trump is trying to restore the insane asylum system we used to have. After seeing this footage, we need them back ASAP. So, as long as we need the asylum system restored, not as it was. Absolutely fucking not.
Yeah, it was terrible how it was.
The worst horror stories that America has on how we treated our people and our sick come from those asylums. So absolutely not the way they were. They need to come back, but they need to come back right.
Over here now!
Well, he's not going to come over there. Would you like to talk to him?
Did I not just fucking say yeah? Am I retarded? Am I fucking stuttering?
He'll talk with you on the sidewalk.
Why the fuck do I need to get on a sidewalk? Okay. I will pull the fuck over there then!
You would like whichever officer pulled away without their...
He'll talk to you on the sidewalk. He's not going to talk to you.
So I need to pull the fuck over there because he's that fucking fat and lazy.
Well, if you would like to have a conversation, you can attempt it.
When did now you guys didn't
When you were leaving, you didn't use it, and then you saw me following you, and then you thought to start fucking using it. You know you
Kurt
didn't
Bucks,
use
DT.
it. When I actually...
Thank you so much for the 5. You think she'll give him a ticket now? Also, would you rather fight this or 4 giant rats? Frankly, 4 giant rats, I know I went down. For those who don't know, Hurtbox TV is gonna be a DM for a live play that we're doing for Pathfinder 2FE, which I've never played before. We did a test run and giant rats attacked us. And yes, I would actually rather have the giant rats than whoever this is.
I've played enough RuneScape.
this
I know I
demon
could
of a
take 4
lady.
giant rats. They're only level 2.
Yeah, exactly.
Level 3 on the high end.
So I can answer your question or no? Go ahead. Wait, I used my signal that. No, you didn't. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. I'm sorry you think that way, but I did. Literally, you and your fucking butt buddy did it. Both of you fucking did it.
Bro.
You can believe that, but I know I did. You make my
You
right
can
hand
believe
turn,
that.
and my left hand turn, and then my right hand turn, and then my left hand turn. Oh my fucking god!
I will say, this cop's body cam has fantastic audio because I can hear the windshield wipers start and stop.
No,
the
I don't know
click
what's going
noise.
on. This is like a PlayStation iToy, a PlayStation 2 iToy microphone. For those who don't know, the PlayStation iToy, it had such a ridiculously powerful microphone and webcam as you could get drivers working with it. You could literally be heard whispering from another room.
Yeah.
I have no idea why they made the mic that strong, but they did.
Yeah, it's so funny because like the video is like so crunchy, and then you can hear the windshield wipers moving.
Yeah, I can hear. Yeah, very well. Like very nicely too. It's like I'm in the car.
I did it. No, you didn't!
Jayla, would you like to file a complaint? Yeah! Then you can head to the lobby and we have the paperwork for you.
See? Told you. And that's how you do that. These cops are so fucking on it. I'm sorry, I love that I called the fucking play. Well, you're gonna have to file a report, you know, so you gotta get out of that car.
She immediately does it too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you can't. The thing with these, when people are going through emotional crises like this, like she probably isn't, but she could be straight up psychosis right now, right?
Yeah.
So you don't ever want to challenge them. You want to use what they're focused on as a way to get them, like guide them to where you want them to go. And that's exactly what they did here. It was very good.
Okay, hands behind you.
There it is.
Hands behind you. All right, just. Okay. Lay it down. Lay it down.
You're touching my broken hand. You're touching my broken hand. I will fucking kill you.
Watch your mouth. She's sweaty.
You're touching my broken hand.
Get it in.
Get off of me! No!
It's so broken, guys.
Just stay on your side.
It's shattered to pieces.
I can really see why you're all fucking white.
Would you like to sit up? Would you like to sit up?
I want to sit up.
Okay, that's what you're gonna do. Bring your knees up.
I cannot breathe.
Bring your knees up, and you can sit up. But if you fight or resist here, you're gonna have to be back right there.
There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it.
Just stand like that.
Off is broken. I'm not doing shit with that hand. Who the fuck touched my car?
Get the movie so an ambulance can get through.
What fucking ambulance? I'm not getting in a fucking ambulance.
You absolutely are.
No, you're gonna repo my fucking car.
No.
No, just no. Guys, believe it or not, these are the first recorded vocals of the hottest new Swedish heavy metal band.
Heart. No, I'm not. Just to the car, it's fine. We'll carry her.
No, give me my car.
Get in here. Each grab a leg. Right. One.
Yeah, here we go.
Grab a leg. No, what? No.
Give me my fucking car.
Go. Go. Damn.
Tibigama, you cannot fix her.
What the fuck happens when you touch my shit?
Hold it down. What's that for?
Give me my phone! Give me my phone!
This is actually a new thing that some people believe is real. Like some psychologists are starting to believe is real with the modern day, with how much we rely on technology. Is some people have a genuine phobia of not having their phone like within arm's
The
reach.
issue with this is applied to her.
Yeah.
She has been far too not worried about her phone up to the point where she had nothing to do but check her phone.
I don't know,
she's
because
fucking
she
pinned
has
and can't
constantly
go
been
anywhere.
calling
She
911.
did not mention her phone. That's true. That's true, but she would. I don't know. I feel it's not a phobia so much as it's an anxiety.
Yeah.
Maybe a form of OCD, but to call it a phobia is wild.
I
in
think
my
some
opinion,
people probably
because
do
that's
have
an
a phobia
irrational
of it.
fear.
Because I think I've seen some people that they have an idea that if they don't have their phone, they physically cannot contact someone if they need to, and it puts them in like
Yeah.
a frenzied state of like, if I don't have immediate communication with this person, something bad is going to happen, kind of deal.
Yeah, which again, that's like an anxiety thing.
Give me my phone!
I gotta let go. You okay?
Hey, you stupid shit!
And actually, it'd be really funny if
Give me my
was given her phone and she calls 911.
Yep.
Oh, what the? Give me my phone, bro!
All right. Do we have individual? I'll do it. Can we start with the mic? Yeah, I'm on it.
I hate to say it, chat, but if I was a bit younger, there's a non-zero chance I would have fallen into this trap.
Yeah?
I feel like when she's not screaming at police, there's just enough red flags for me to avoid them.
Oh no.
I would have definitely fallen into this trap if I wasn't had a little bit more experience.
A younger Mizu who would have fallen trying to fix her.
Give me my fucking phone!
Yeah, where's the spit hood? You don't carry a spit hood? Anybody got a spit hood?
How does nobody have a spit hood? So one of you should.
Yeah.
Yeah, she just totally spit.
Yeah, check on Adam's face.
Don't touch my face! Don't touch my face! Don't touch my face!
Yes. All right, lean forward.
I want my phone! Give me my phone! I want my phone! No, don't touch my face! Don't touch my face, please! Please don't touch my face!
You guys
It's broken!
Okay. You want me to sit up? Yeah, I can't sit up. Shit. I want to sit up. Please sit up. Secure. Sit up. Sit up. Until I can run it. Just attach it to the Jesus. I need a lock, Adams.
Where the fuck is my phone? You don't get to just hold my phone from me. That's what the fuck happens when you touch my ass, you dirty hoe.
What?
When do I get my phone back? When?
I'm like, oh man, we're wearing you so hard.
Time is in my animal medicine! I want
My friend Debbie at Dispatch is gonna get you.
Oh yeah.
Who got spit on? You got spit on? Yeah. The face? Oh.
Yeah, 100%.
Don't fucking lie.
She says you want to stab somebody, shoot somebody.
Run me over.
Run them over. Okay. Follow them.
When the fuck do I get my...
I do like that they include this at the top, because some people wouldn't even acknowledge that she's clearly unwell. They're just like, Cop Cam Max hopes the woman gets the help she needs and is able to move forward, or move toward a more stable, crime-free future. We sincerely wish her the best as she works to rebuild her life.
Yeah.
Racho says, so you're
This
saying
is
she's a
definitely- this
screamer,
is
younger
not
Mizu
Blood-brain,
probably.
She's a screamer.
Unironically, the crazy redhead I dated when I was younger was...
Might be a...
Your personal possessions will be given to you at the hospital, okay?
No, I want my phone now.
At the hospital.
yeah.
A few months after this incident, the woman was arrested again. Caught in another wild confrontation you'll want to see.
So, if you have a little extra time, Ava, there is a part 2.
How long is part 2?
16 minutes, I think.
Oh, let's fucking do it. We have to. Luckily, my Witcher campaign was canceled for this week, so I can move a little bit beyond my normal times.
Hey, ma'am. I'm going to tell you right now, stop yelling at me. We are working an accident with really nasty injuries. Your keys aren't a priority, and we have somebody around. Yeah, she's yelling and screaming at us. What's going on?
Damn, I'm trying to get my keys to my friend. Hey, I'm trying to go home. I'm tired, bro.
Okay.
In this episode of Cop Cam Max, two women
Oh, here we go.
So these are two friends. This is her friend. This is our
What is with that
girl from the
flag?
last video.
It is. I immediately heard her voice. I recognize the tone. Everything's exactly. But I want to know, what the fuck is that flag?
Yeah, I have no idea.
at home after a night of clubbing. But one of them won't stop calling 911 because a friend
Oh my
won't
God,
return
I
her
want
house
Casey's
keys.
pizza
As she
so
berates
bad.
the dispatcher, the driver recklessly chases down the so-called key thief. When police arrive, they find two women too consumed by their own drama to pay attention to anything the officers say.
Can we? Hey, don't walk away. Don't walk away from me.
Go inside, please.
No, you cannot go inside. We're investigating right now. Get back inside your car right now.
Can I go inside?
Go back inside.
We're good.
Go back inside your car right now. Come on, let's go.
We're good. We're good.
No.
We're trying to get our keys. We're not nothing.
Don't leave.
We're not. We're not nothing. You just told me.
Honduras flag. So I guess they're Hondurans, probably.
Minnesota. I love how they go just ask Minnesota. No, I mean, it might be Minnesota. Because they just let people wave whatever flag they... Yeah, apparently... Look, this is weird to me, right? Even if it was an American flag, it seems...
It's big.
A little oversized.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, if you ever see it with, like, the presidential motorcade or whatever, they have, like, little tiny, itty-bitty, cute American flags on the front. They don't have, like, a giant fuck-off banner.
And look, and it's fine to have giant American flags if, like, you have the fucking brackets and mounting things, and you have it on your fucking giant truck that can handle that kind of a size. Because you're dealing with, like, wind resistant, all kinds of weird fucking shit when you have a flag, and the bigger the flag, the bigger fucked up shit can happen.
But this one is probably, like, actively making it harder for you to see stuff in your blind spot.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. It also, I guarantee you, just what I know from sailing this stuff, even that much wind resistant, it's causing it to go to the right quite a bit more than the left, which means that you have a fucking thing that can literally, oh no, a fucking wind gust or something, and you have that much extra drag, your steering wheel is going to naturally jerk to the right.
Yeah.
This is a road hazard, a driving hazard, a sight hazard. It's just a hazard.
She's the lightest skinned Latina ever.
Yeah, for real though.
Thank you, Artemis. Remember, chat? They gave her a ticket and left. She came back for round 2.
She did it. That was crazy.
Thank you all saying, woman cop, little to no empathy this time.
Go back inside my car.
Listen to me.
Did you not tell me to go back inside?
that car was recklessly, okay? Stop running your mouth.
The operator told us to do it. We just told us
I understand that.
I can tell you for a fact the operator did not tell you to chase down this person.
Yeah, that definitely didn't happen.
Stop running your mouth, okay? Listen to what I'm
But
saying.
she pulled over out of respect for y'all.
I get it, okay?
Bro, I'm literally calling my
I need your driver's license.
No, I'm calling my lawyer.
Your driver's license.
calling my lawyer.
You have.
Go back to your car.
All right, so I guess he just went to get the keys.
Yeah.
But I mean, I guess it depends on the police, but you're really not allowed to open the door like that. Yeah, typically speaking.
No, you need a driver's license. Can you listen? If you fail to prove.
I did hear the door shut in the background, so he really was only in there for probably the keys.
Yeah, no, it's literally just to grab the keys. You're not going nowhere.
Your driver's license.
Which is why I'm like, I don't have that big of a deal with it.
Get out my wallet. Shut up. No, ma'am.
Oh, there we go.
Ma'am.
Step aside. Step aside. No, talk to him.
Okay, calm down.
Really?
If you see that, she
Yeah,
did it again.
Yeah, she threw it. Yeah, she go fetch dog. This is not the way to handle yourself, girl.
And like, if you two really are just trying to get your keys back, just calm the fuck down, and they'll help you out. But you intentionally, you're like escalating this for no reason.
I like her fit though.
You're not walking away from
Stop spitting on me.
Back up to your car.
He's not letting me in my car. Don't fucking touch me. Watch what the fuck will happen with your fucking station. Shut the fuck up.
me.
I'm stop running your mouth. That's the next thing we'll do. Handcuffs are coming out. Then stand in front of the car.
I'm trying to go home.
Then stand in front of the car.
You guys are weird.
You need to cooperate.
Okay.
Because, dude, I just called the lady. She said she was
She's holding a spliff.
You had my keys. My keys.
All right.
Okay.
Calm down.
Is it just it might be just a black and mild.
It might be, but
It's hard to tell.
I wouldn't even hold a cigarette.
Yeah.
While talking with the cops.
You are being hysterical.
Calm down.
You need to calm down.
Because, bro, I've been calling for an hour.
Okay, stand in front of the car, and we'll talk about it. All right?
The Professor Keen, do you give it a 5? If she's an illegal or a green card holder, she should be deported. No excuses. I'm tired of this.
At their
We
age,
don't
they're
know any
definitely
of that,
second generation.
And no, there's no accent or anything like that. Let's not go about deporting everyone just because we think that they should be. I'm not a fan of that.
They're a much better argument for mental asylums.
Bro, they're laughing around
Yes.
the fucking McDonald's and laughing with my keys and my...
That's what we're trying to figure out.
I'm trying to go home.
We want to understand the situation, but we're trying to...
Dude, because my friend's been trying to go home, dude.
You're not gonna stop talking.
Because you guys haven't been
stand in front of
listening
the
to me.
car.
I'm not standing in front of a car.
Don't stand here.
Because I'm standing right here.
Okay.
Your ID.
I do, but I'm not giving you my ID.
We will figure it out.
Because, dude,
No, you are not walking away.
You can see her in the background trying to run off again into whatever this fucking gas station is.
Once again, I am... All right.
That's Casey's. Yep, here we go. I'm sorry, I love as she's being arrested. Are you just mad because you're ugly?
Yeah.
Step back. No, I'm on the phone with my mom. Step back. Buddy, you're fucking mad. You're on a power trip. You're on a power trip. She was trying to be on the phone and your girl's running away.
Zoomer.
Come on. Are you guys
She's
serious
such a
right
zoomer,
now?
and Jesus Christ, I fucking hate it.
We are not the ones you guys are after, bro.
Get it, then calm down and calm down.
Her and her girlfriend are the one fighting tonight. What are you guys on, bro? Just tell her to step off. Is she not listening to you and you're not gonna care? We are not the ones you guys are after.
Step
Am I not the We are the ones that called you guys for help. What are you after us for? Hey! She takes me. Am I not the one talking to you? The comments
Just get your hands.
I love this. Like, I'm so calm with you, Kick. I'm so calm with you right now. Aren't you, Kick?
This is wild.
You're actively sitting here attacking the cops and being like, but I'm so calm. I'm so calm with you.
Yeah, but you're calmly attacking me.
Handcuffs and we'll calm down.
And yes, Mizu, you ended up being right. She had a girlfriend after all.
That was chat, to be fair. Chat says that.
I literally just watched.
Just put her hands in her.
God, Mom, are you listening to this, bro?
Put one handcuff on.
Mom, just leave her alone.
Calm down and step back.
She's the driver.
Female officer is only a year older than the suspect. If I remember the age right, that means this officer is like 23 years old.
For me. Why are you guys after Yes.
Huh? Let go.
Is it because we're black?
Okay.
Tell her to stop touching me.
Then we will put you in handcuffs. When you calm
Isn't
down,
she
we'll talk.
trying to fucking put me in handcuffs? Am I not the one who's been talking to you the calmest the whole time? Calm down.
I'm not telling you again.
Don't touch me. Because he tried to say that and trying to be cool with you guys. You guys are being weird.
Let go of the handcuff.
Have I not been talking to
You're
you?
being so weird.
Let the cuff go.
Mom, I'm on Sheridan and Wadsworth, bro. Like, these fucking white faggots are being stupid pieces of shit.
There we go. We're back to the homophobic slurs.
Yeah, of course. It's so weird.
By the way, her phone is still active and her mom is actively on the other end of it. So she's listening to her
Which is great.
21, 22-year-old daughter scream these effing F words.
I mean, she does it so often. I highly doubt she's like hiding this behavior around her mom.
Yeah.
Aren't they white? Yeah. I love how confused Tad is on the race. The running theory is that she's a light-skinned Latina.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're Hondurans. At least one of them is, anyway.
I said, let me talk to my mom.
You can talk to your mom.
Why did you hang up? Why did you forcefully stop our phone call? Explain to me the f***ing laws right now and tell me why you forcefully stopped our phone call.
You're compounding your problems.
Why are you? What is compounding?
Yeah, compounding your problems.
You're making this bigger than it needs to be.
No, you literally started detaining.
I love that so much. What does compounding means? And this is the result of the American education system.
Exactly.
Because she had a power trip.
If she has a girlfriend, why is she slinging around the F slur? So this is a thing where a lot of people believe that specifically the F slur only applies to gay men. Particularly for some reason,
really
among lesbians. They seem to think it only applies to gay men when it was supposed to be a derogatory slur for just gay people in general. Which I can't even say gay, because I've learned that a lot of people think
sticks upon which you would burn a sinner who has sinned in the way of homosexuality. That's quite literally where the slur comes from, but they, for some reason, have decided rules for thee, but not for me, and we get to use the slur.
And then I have to correct it again, because I said people think it's a slur exclusively for gay people, but I've also learned that people think gay is a term specifically for two men, and that homosexual is men and women. And I'm like, why do you guys keep trying to like narrow down these words to like just one side? It's so weird. And thank you, Internet Zen. I called it hooray pattern recognition. Also, is it because I'm black? Said the whitest black lady I've ever seen. No, like
yeah, that's crazy.
If she wasn't saying it, you would just assume that she was white.
Now you guys are acting like infants.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Tell me how this legally ended up like this, and I will.
You kept walking away from the car.
But I didn't.
Yes, you did.
You said, oh my God, here we go, and then you started acting like a fucking 5-year-old.
Yes. Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Tell me how I legally got here. When your supervisor tells me how I legally got here,
They're going to fucking force you in the car, you dummy.
Who the f*** is Dude, are you retarded? Are you retarded? Because you clearly weren't on the fucking phone with the dispatcher.
I'm asking you again.
No.
But I don't know, like, the whole interaction came with them not having their keys. I'm not sure you witnessed them recklessly driving.
Yeah.
That seems a little bizarre. They were parked. They, in fact, cannot start their car because they don't have their keys.
When your supervisor gets here, I'll get in the car.
I am her supervisor. Get in the car.
You're not the fucking supervisor.
Yeah.
Get in the car.
You wouldn't be this fucking slow if you were the supervisor.
Get in the car.
Yes, Mom? Mom? What the fuck is gonna happen when I get in the car? I didn't do shit, Mom!
In the car.
Shut up!
Like our mom's on the phone says, honey, calm down and get in the car.
Yeah, honey, get in the fucking car.
I'm talking to my
I thought they hung up. I didn't know. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Give me my phone.
Your phone's right here. I'm not taking it from you.
Give me my phone. You're taking my phone right now.
Put your leg in the car,
Why are you
please.
taking my car?
Ma'am, can you please tell her to comply? You want 20 or 22?
Mom, why are
Okay, we'll deal with that in a second.
Mom! Mom, why are they touching me?
Please put your legs in the car.
Oh my god!
She's about to break out the window of the car.
You hear that?
That is fucking nuts. Also, I let people like, oh, don't worry, once you get them in the car, it's like, no, they are entirely capable of
Yeah.
kicking out windows.
And again, we're at a police office that has bars on the windows.
They actually got this unit specifically for Jayla.
Because we know for a fact this is at least the third time she's had to...
Dealing with her was a subject that came up during a fucking discussion with the town council, like a public town council meeting, about their need for a car with barred windows. Because of Jayla.
I'm not suffocating you. Your mom is right here, okay?
Mom!
Just breathe, honey.
Mom!
Breathe, calm down. Are you okay?
Yes, she was wearing a wig.
Also, like, obviously we don't know what her home life is like, but it's so bizarre listening to her mom over the phone, and her mom just sounds like the sweetest little lady ever. Like, Jayla, honey, please calm down. It's like, maybe that's the problem.
Oh,
Maybe you were
no.
a little too soft with her. You know?
Yeah. Fatherless behavior.
But I get how that happens, but it also kind of annoys me that you can have, like, the sweetest little parents that are just too soft on their kids, and the kids turn into, like, literal hellions. Because they just didn't have enough discipline.
Also, I do love without her wig, she ages like 20 years.
Oh, yeah. Also, now she's gonna start crying.
Of course she is.
I know I want my mom right now.
Your mom's on her way.
I know I want my mom right now.
How old are you?
I'm 21, but I want my mom. This is my 5th time going out, and you guys are being retards.
You scratched up my entire arm.
Your entire
Oh my
arm?
goodness.
I didn't touch you. I didn't fucking touch you. Why the fuck are you arresting me when I didn't do shit? When we called the fucking cops so you can deal with the other people stealing their property. What are you doing?
Can you calm down?
No!
I'm gonna...
Because I'm not even involved. I was walking away, kind of, to make...
He's wild.
I was walking away. Kinda.
Kind of.
The fact that you even acknowledge that is so
the
funny.
Problem. You had to stay put and you went to walk away. That's why you're here.
Face fucking gestures to my friend who works here, and your shit-faced fucking coworkers talking about some, oh, here we go, and you want to keep fucking touching me, and you want to fucking keep fucking supporting it? Stupid 5 foot fucking stupid fucking white lady.
I think like she's a Google docu writer.
Fucking country, holy shit! Can I please have my phone back?
You can leave.
Here, I'm not taking it from you.
My friend literally works here like
You hate this country so much you can't leave.
Well, if you listen to me, I'll explain to you why you're in the...
And I was listening to you, but then your stupid fucking coworker is talking about how she gonna detain me, and you're just okay with that when I didn't even do anything. I am sick of white people pushing me over. I'm not even saying you. I don't give a fuck about you. Like, cool, you didn't take my land, you didn't rape and pillage my people. I don't give a fuck. But why is she fucking putting her hands on me for no reason?
What?
I don't even know what that was supposed to say.
Also, again, you have a flag on your car that says you're from Honduras. Like, what are you talking about?
I'll explain to you when you calm down.
I'm calm. Can you please just explain it to me?
No, because the more we talk, the more you amp up.
Okay, so I'm calm now. Can you explain?
I don't want you kicking out my
Okay,
windows.
so can I just not talk for 30 seconds and then you explain it, or what?
You were driving that vehicle there, okay? You went across the street, right in front of my car.
Following the other car,
I
right?
get it, but you can't engage in a car pursuit, okay? Can you listen to me?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you been drinking?
No,
okay. Has she been drinking?
Yes, she has.
Okay, so when you calm down,
all you people do is f me over.
Okay, well.
So I was just kind of curious. If you look up Honduras, as of July 2026, the U.S. Department of State advises reconsider travel to Honduras. It is considered a level 3 country due to high crime and repeated kidnapping. So
Yeah.
go back to Honduras, I guess, if you really want to hang out there, lady. Seems like it's not doing too great right now. Apparently, it has a do not travel level 4 for a specific area of Honduras due to extreme violent crime, including murder and extortion. So good luck.
Oh dear God.
Honduras is not
So
doing
remember
well
when
as
I
of
made that
2026.
post calling out that hazardous demon art person for being retarded and like, yeah, I'm gonna break the law. If you use AI, I'm just gonna revoke your ownership. Yeah, the artist found it. The artist found it and it's being fucking, oh God, it's blowing up in the worst way.
That's funny.
Let me
Hail.
explain this to you again then, okay? You are under arrest.
For what?
For obstructing, for resisting a police
wasn't even
officer.
me, that was the
Stop
other
talking,
person.
please.
Who
So I can
obstructed
explain it to you. You scratched the hell out of my arm, okay?
Who?
You did.
Can
Stop
you even
talking
prove
so I can
that?
explain. Can I explain it to you?
I said, can you prove it? Not explain. I said, can you prove it?
Put your leg in the car.
I want my fucking mother and I want to go the fuck home because you stupid white fucks are stopping me from going home.
You're not.
I wanted to pause it here because she's saying all that while wearing a cross earring.
Yeah.
I just wanted to point that out.
Going home, okay? Please put your leg in the car.
If I'm not going home, why the fuck would I make it easier? You're trying to talk to me. I'm talking calm and you're not fucking compromising.
Am I not calm?
How the fuck? Let me go home. How the fuck am I involved?
Put your leg in the car and I'll
No,
explain it.
answer me!
Put your leg in the car and I'll explain it to you. You're amping up again, okay?
You stupid white fuck! What the fuck are you looking at with your stupid fucking drug self? Why the fuck can you not look at one fucking area with your fucking eyes straight with your stupid fucking self? Yo, why don't you get the fuck out of here, you fucking pig? I want my mom and my
She's
phone.
on her way. She will explain it
Where
to you
the
along.
fuck is my phone, my property that I fucking started this shit with? Give it to my hand!
Okay, no. Calm down. Your
Give
mom
me
will
my
be here.
phone.
Your mom will be
Pretty
here
sure I
shortly.
said that as calm as I fucking can. Give me my fucking goddamn motherfucking phone. Oh, look it. You were, but now you're not because you heard how I was talking and you hesitated, and now you're pointing at your camera.
Everything
yeah,
is on audio
you can
and
point
video.
at your camera. Hi, thank you. Yeah, we are on audio or fucking video. I don't fucking care. He fucking hesitated. The shit I fucking started cussing because you're offended.
I'm not offended at all.
You're offended
I'm
as
trying to get you to put your leg in the
you're
car
fucking offended.
so we don't have to add another charge.
Another charge for what?
Obstructing a police officer.
You're
for the 19th
obstructing my
time.
fucking property to my fucking hand.
Put your leg in the car.
What's so wrong with me having my phone in my
Please
Oh,
put your leg in
because
the
you don't want me to video.
This video is an edited
Oh my
version
God,
of the
I
original
just
raw
was gonna read
footage.
that.
In the raw footage, the officer asked the
Holy
woman
shit.
over 75 times to get in the car.
Thank you for editing it down for us, buddy.
Also, thank you, Wolf Spain. Black
damn.
woman want any excuse to say the F slur. It does seem to come out a
Dude,
lot.
so many F's. It seems to be all the F slurs. Every single one.
Thank you, Internet.
Which is only 2, but it's weird that it's happened more than once.
Yeah. Thank you, Internet Zen. Take my land. First off, it wasn't us. It was Spanish. Spain. Second, it was properly conquered according to the ancient rite of conquest. This lady makes me feel like we should bring back the practice of exile.
Exile is an interesting thing.
Yeah.
Everything is on audio
That's
and
so
video.
crazy. Yeah, on your end. That's why everybody dies and gets away with it.
I don't want you to hyperventilate by me
What?
forcing you into the car.
I like how this is a person that constantly says that police are just killing black people left and right. And it's like, this is like the 4th or 5th time you've been in the back of their squad car at this point. And you keep getting like slaps on the
If they were
wrist.
really killing you, yeah, if they were really killing your people, you wouldn't make it this many times in the back of a car.
And like, this fucking woman is so lucky because she has apparently gotten in the precinct with the world's calmest police officers.
Seriously, like every single one of these officers needs to be like given a commendation or something.
Just for dealing
Because
with her.
like you guys highlight de-escalation, and it's amazing.
They try so
'Cause
hard
I
with
haven't seen
her.
a single one of them. Yeah, every single one of them, it treats her with the same amount of patience, which is wild. Usually, you have at least one cop acting out of pocket like that other video.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to remain calm with you, okay, to work with.
Why can't I have my phone in my hand?
The raw footage, the woman asked for her phone 32 times.
32 times, Jesus.
Away from me beforehand. So you're saying that you took my phone away from me without legal cause
You
because
are
you had it
under
in your hand.
For resisting, obstructing
Without
a police
legal
officer,
cause.
reckless driving. Okay.
You guys are so fucking retarded. This is why ain't nobody give a fucking shit about you guys and why everybody wish your first born was dead as
Please put your leg in the car.
That is wild to say.
Yeah.
So that's like some fucking pagan witchcraft shit.
I curse your
you're wishing
firstborn.
their firstborn dead? That's fucking crazy. We're not even, I don't know where you are. You're cursing the first. Look, I know that's some Old Testament shit. You know, like the 7 plagues and the death of the firstborn, but like,
yeah,
your God is a New Testament God. He rules with love, not with fucked up goddamn death of firstborns. It's crazy that she called upon the death of the firstborn of cops in general. That's crazy.
From Aura Master, dishonor on you, dishonor on your cow. Let's go down the list.
Phyllis Panda, I am not a conqueror. They said Eva's face lit up at the word conquest. Is someone a little tyrant? Is someone a little country claimer? Is someone wanting to overpower civilization? Like, bitch, I'm just over here in my cabin. Rocking it. Like, nah, I'm good.
I just want civilization to leave me alone.
Yeah. And now, if they don't leave me alone, then I'll end civilization. But that's another conversation.
Right on top of the car.
Give it to me! Then you're a fucking retard. And shut the fuck up!
I'm asking you kindly to put your leg in the car.
No, you haven't been asking kindly. You've been asking kindly for audio, for video fucking purposes, but you've been a fucking dickhead this whole fucking time. Bro, how are they going inside, bro? How?
Stop kicking the...
Give me my shit! Give me...
See, it was so crazy. This actually happened with the Boffa VT video. It's quite literally they accused Boffa of being nice as like a form of manipulation, as like some kind of mafia boss. So like she's like, oh no, you're being nice just for the camera, but you're actually an asshole. So it's like it's not even see what you see and determine it. No, it's literally read between lines that aren't there for these people. It's fucking crazy.
Exactly.
Put your leg in the car.
Give me my phone!
Put your leg in the car. Put your leg in the car.
Shut the f up and give me my phone! Give me my phone.
This isn't a...
Give me my phone! Are you retarded? Do you not know how to put a phone in my hand? Like, are you that slow? Do I need to show this video to the new Secretary of State?
Put your legs in the car.
I don't
Wait,
believe
what?
shit you fucking say. You're just a
Marco Rubio?
who keeps saying shit so I can do what the fuck you want, but the second I do what the fuck you want, you're just gonna close the fucking door and walk away. Because I'm not fucking retarded, and I know how the fuck you work. Because you are all fucking stupid.
Please put your legs in the car.
Yeah, till my mom tell me that shit, I don't give a fuck what you say, sweetheart. Cool, then she can tell me that when she get here, since you wanted to waste her fucking time to wake her the fuck up from her fucking hospital job to get her here. Now you can wait.
Can you bring that lady over here? That one, and tell her not to make the situation worse.
Mom, go get my mom now.
Can you please tell her to put her legs in the car?
This is wild.
Yeah.
I've never heard somebody try to make the line "Go get my mom" hard. You can't. You can't do it. She tried, but you can't do it. Go get my mom. Yeah, you're still asking for your mommy, dude.
This last time, why doesn't anybody fucking listen? I don't even know anybody. Why the fuck am I the only one in the car?
Just put your legs in the car.
But just get in the car.
When no one wants to hurt you.
You're a liar! Just get in the car and I'll find out what's going on, okay? You said that last time and I spent a week somewhere I didn't even want to be! I know, okay.
I gotta... I can't see the top very well. 3 months prior to this day, the woman was arrested and charged with 3 counts of agbat on a Leo, disorderly conduct, and making a false complaint to 911. The woman was found guilty of the false complaint to 911. All other charges dropped.
Jesus. That was the last video, though.
Yeah, if I'm seeing this in court, I'm not dropping any of them. No.
I'm confused! I spit on
Oh, a cat has claimed my lap.
I wanted to and it wasn't you, so shut the fuck up!
Just please put your legs in the car.
Close the fucking door! Give my mom the fucking phone, you retard! Bet you happy, you stupid bitch. Clean that, hurry the fuck up!
Her behavior did not improve upon arriving at the jail.
Damn.
She reportedly remained irate with jail staff, prompting them to deploy pepper spray on her. Later, she struck a correctional officer, causing the officer's nose to bleed.
Dude, this lady's fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's absolutely insane. Internet Zen says, new Secretary of State Marco Rubio would guy who is actively looking for reasons to deport naturalized citizens for any reason. That Marco Rubio? Oh, did she say something about Marco Rubio?
She did. She mentioned the Secretary of State.
Oh, fair. And then Will Spain, they use it as a cudgel to hurt feelings.
Marco Rubio, I believe, was a Florida politician.
Yeah.
Before he was Secretary of State, but... So about those asylums, look, again, we can bring them back, but not like they were.
We gotta work on them a little bit.
Yeah, we have to, guys. It was really bad.
This is, I forget where I read it at, but it's something that I've kind of come on to believe, that people who spit, like physically spit on others, typically have to be genuinely mentally unwell or like properly psychopathic. Because there's just something like internally in our minds that prompt us all to think of like spitting on someone as just inherently bad to like a weird degree, right? For what it technically is.
It is instinctually a negative thing in culture, you know.
Yeah.
Monkeys and baboons and other shit will frequently spit at each other as a way of escalating to physical conflict. So it's bred into our DNA. Spitting at somebody else is quite literally doing, like, throwing the glove down for the duel. Like, you don't do that.
Yeah. It's kind of funny, by the way, seeing her clothes in the night vision, because they literally just look solid gray when we know that because it only shows in grayscale.
Yeah.
It's so weird how that works.
She was charged with 3 counts of aggravated battery on a peace or correctional officer, along with resisting a peace officer, obstructing a peace officer, on reckless driving, and disobeying a stop sign. Her violations are so fucking minor.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up! You stupid bitch! Shut the fuck up!
Court enrolled the woman in a therapeutic monitoring program, which is designed to address the root causes of criminal behavior through individualized treatment and supervision.
What's that? Stupid white cups. In retard.
You know, it just reminds me of the episode of the Boondocks where Robert Freeman is going through, he's shopping, and there's this kid being an absolute freaking, like, menace, right? And he goes up to the mom who's just beside herself. She doesn't know what to do.
Yeah.
And he literally walks her through, taking off her belt and just whipping his ass in public. And it's the most amazing, like, this is what needed to happen to Jayla. I'm sorry, Mom, that you were turned too nice, and she clearly doesn't have a father in her life.
Yeah.
Because someone needed that stern hand in the racing, and that's all the reason for this is because her violations are fucking minor. Reckless driving, failure to stop at a stop sign, but it's how she's dealing with all the emotional feedback that shows that she's not been raised by anybody really.
Oh, hang on.
I'm doing awesome. Can I please step out? I'm doing fine. Can I please step out? What would you like? Can I please step out?
Hang on.
Prosecutor dropped all charges. I don't when you hit a police officer to the point of drawing blood.
Yeah, no, I don't think. Here's the issue. It was part of the deal to get her into that fucking therapeutic monitoring program.
Yeah.
My issue is, like, that fucking program better have a goddamn good batting average, because otherwise you're just pissing in the wind.
You got stuff on the floor?
Okay, it don't matter. Can I please step out now? Are you, I'm fine. Can I please step out?
Is the seatbelt on?
The seatbelt is not on me. Can I please step out? You stupid white bitch. You know what fucking side I'm on? Are you fucking intoxicated? You stupid white privilege. Fuck up.
Jesus.
Thanks for watching.
So this is only 2 minutes long, but I don't know if it'll pop up.
Oh.
Will it actually play in this? It might not because it's a YouTube short. Yeah. I might just have to pull it up for you that way.
Yeah, hold on. Let me do the Discord thing.
Discord.
There we go. Live.
So-
Open voice watch stream.
So apparently, whatever this therapeutic program is, it actually is pretty solid, apparently.
Okay, that's good.
Is it? I have to...
Why can't I hear it?
There we go.
Also, do you see your insurance? He's not pulling you over. Your license plates are suspended. Is this your car?
My truck.
Okay. Did you know your plates were suspended?
I was calling the Secretary of State, and they're getting back to me what I need to do to fix it. My lawyer gave me that.
Okay. Do you have your insurance? Okay.
Wow.
I'll be with you in a few minutes.
She's doing a lot better.
You're going to ticket today for the suspended plates. Technically, you cannot drive with these plates. I'm going to let you drive to get away from here, but some police officers will tow your car. So just get this taken care of as soon as possible. If you have a court date, bring your documentation that you got your plates fixed at that time. You're all set.
He doesn't have a third signal.
Yeah, literally the same woman after the whatever program they were on.
I mean, you can see it in her face. She's still upset. She's not happy, but there's something that's keeping her in check there.
Yeah.
Behavioral therapy is a fucking godsend.
Yeah, so whatever it was, it worked, I guess.
Yeah, I guess so.
This is the, as far as I know, this is the only other case people know about with her is this particular traffic stop. Guess whatever they gave her worked. Yeah, I guess. I don't know. I hope she stays out of trouble because she was rough.
Wait, just find out she's just been chemically just freaking obliterated. You know what? Give her so many drugs she doesn't care anymore.
But yeah, that was all I had today. I did want to show that one because I genuinely don't think we've played it before, even though it seems like super familiar.
Haven't. Yeah, we definitely have not played that one before.
I think maybe me and Ava have just seen it so many times independently that it kind of stuck out to us.
Yeah.
Because it is a popular one. The original video has been seen something like 3 million times, which is huge for a body cam video. Character development. Internet Zen says, prosecutor dropped all charges. Can we call this prosecutor one of the soft on crime ones? No wonder she's so arrogant. So that's sort of my problem, right? Because even though whatever this plan was did work the third time, this is, that we know of, like the fourth or fifth time that she's been arrested and basically had all of the big charges dropped.
Yeah.
Like you've kind of just been letting this problem go on for a while now. Like it's great that you fixed it finally, but you have been letting it like just continue on.
Yeah.
Did you know Donut Operator watched on stream? As far as I know, a couple people did because it was a huge one.
Yeah, I mean, it's damn near like the level of the DoorDash girl. I'm the victim, you know, and now she was screaming like it. Like it almost matches the tone, but
yeah,
no, that was definitely a rather famous case. I'm glad she's doing better though.
Yes, it's good. Chat, I'm gonna raid you guys out to Dama, but I will be back later tonight. I think we've decided to do friend slop tonight with some people.
Nice.
We'll figure things out there. Let me do the...
I'm going to read out into Cinder. Oh my gosh, there's a fly in here. I'm gonna kill it.
But you guys have a good one. We'll see you later. Bye, everybody.
See you later, chat. Everyone have a good one.
What happened to DoorDash girl? I don't think we know yet, but I'll do some looking after stream.
Her Kate, yeah, she was. Yeah, I'm gonna look into it. I'm pretty sure it's not good news for her.
Also, thank you, Baracho. Last super chat for the stream. All the screaming made my head hurt. Why, Mizu?
Yeah, sorry about that.
Get yourself some aspirin.
Again, she'd make a great metal singer, though.
Bye.
Bye, chat.